Boom, boom. And I'm gonna make it public.
But Lucas, you didn't answer. What version are you using?
I think it's 16 we have. I'm not sure. It says in the, let me check. Build that song.
You're not sure.
Yes, like 0.16.
I spent the whole stream yesterday trying to just get the nightly sick and the corresponding ZLS version to work, and I could not. I tried to build everything from source.
Yeah.
I tried other methods, but nothing worked. Do you actually have it set up?
Yeah. You can see here. This is the version that we are using. Wait, I'm streaming, right? Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, but I mean, what are you using?
Oh, I'm using any6. So
And how have you set it up?
I'm using any6, so it just checks what is the project trying to use, and then it gets me that SIG version.
How?
Oh. Hello, Peppa.
Hence, do you have a Zig compiler now and only try to get working ZS? Or
What is this any sick?
Any6, yeah. It's I think there's
Yeah,
a
figured out the
I think
version. Yeah, Lucas, you can explain better.
let's see. I think it's for me it was just getting it with Yay basically, but there's like any SIG repo, which
Well, what about ZLS?
ZLS for Visual Studio Code. I just have this thing.
Wait, Hans, what's your
Then
main
there's a
IDE?
mismatch. My what, sorry?
What's your main IDE?
Depends. If it's like hobby project, I don't use an IDE. I just use VS Code and the terminal. At work, I use like on Windows Visual Studio. Sometimes
Okay.
also for hobby stuff, if I am on Windows, I will use Visual Studio as a debugger. Or I
Yeah.
used to. Now I use the red debugger.
Right.
But yeah, on Windows Visual Studio and on Mac either Xcode or CLine. But
That's nice.
if possible, I try to avoid using an IDE because they're all kind of bad.
Wait. Like RET?
Wait, Lucas, is it
Or-
on purpose? Lucas, is it on purpose that your stream is like only showing like the logo? till now?
Yeah, I'm not showing anything yet. I'm just still setting up a few things.
Lucas, it's rad
R-A-D.
rad debugger.
R-A-D.
Yeah. RAD.
Yeah.
Yeah. Didn't you watch the Better Software conference
Wait,
talk
was that
from
the
Ryan Fleury?
No, yeah, I watched it, but I didn't remember the name.
Yeah,
So
it's that debugger.
Oh, is it? Oh!
Wait, it's that?
Sure.
Wait, is that the debugger with like the timeline stuff, or was it a different thing?
It's not white box, if that's what
Okay.
you're thinking of.
Yeah. Okay.
Currently, this is only on Windows, but they're porting it right now to Linux. Should come soon.
Sure. You have to notify
Oh.
me so I can. Hello, Chupak, so I can also get it. Oh, Cruiser Radio with 41 viewers. Holy shit! I just went live.
So insane.
We are still just like preparing, but thanks, bro. Holy moly! This was a bit unexpected. I'm bored. Yeah, well, hello.
But yeah, Lucas, my point from
Yeah.
my point from earlier is basically if you're using any SIG,
Yeah.
but you're getting ZLS from Visual Studio Code, just the extension from there, I think you're gonna have a version mismatch and they won't work properly
Oh yeah,
together.
yeah, I wanted to show you that I do also have. I think I have both for some reason. I have like also installed ZLS. It's I don't know, like I had a lot of issues with it, and I just tried everything, so I installed everything that I could, and it works. So yeah, it's not the best, but it works, right? Let's see, I think I got the... Yay! So now the YouTube API should work, so you should see the fighting figures there if you chat. Having the Twitch, I don't know. What is the game about? There is no game yet. The main point is to I guess Zig Game is kind of misleading, but it's yeah. Let's see. I wanna try WW. If it should spawn. It's on a 10-second delay this time, but it should. Yeah, look at that. There it came in. Woo! See, I think you need the library or something. Oh, we'll see. Harold did a PR. Dynamic linking at runtime. You should use Helix editor if you like Vim. I mean...
Oh, he's back.
Added dynamic linking at runtime. The issue was I wasn't linking C. Duh. Please don't report me to corporate. Okay.
Wait, Lucas? Hello?
Hello? I'm about to...
You did notice that you were gone, right?
No, I did not notice that I was gone.
Oh.
I mean, I don't know, like...
Okay.
Like, NeoVim is... like, I cannot use NeoVim because I find it's lacking in some features that I really like to use. But, I don't know, maybe you can get them somehow. And then Helix, I'm afraid to try. What API are you using? OpenGL or Vulkan? We are not gonna be using a graphics library for this project to begin with. So, okay, this is interesting. He changed this to state.index. Use size, what the hell? Okay. Wait, I will solo in fighting. Alright.
Did it spawn Eggman?
It rolls every 10th second. Just so I don't waste my quota. I don't know. I will try that every 10 seconds and see how long it lasts. I could probably run some calculations. Maybe I should actually, before I do this.
Wait, Lucas, can you stream on Discord again?
I actually lost the connection. Oh, damn. No, I can't stream on Discord, it's just loading.
Oh, well.
Alright. Close these. I want to try the red as soon as it gets out, because it seems like the red debugger. It seems really interesting. Let's see. Dynlib, alright. CD projects, and we go to YouTube. Zig Game. I just call it Zig Game because it's easy like that. Git check out and Dynlib. Look, lib. So then I should be able to browse here. New game again. What happened to the StreamFIghter? It's running right now. Do you see the characters right there? The that thing there. Yeah, we're running it. It's done.
Because I think the stream already has 2 minutes delay.
2 minutes delay? Yeah, I'll have dropped 61% of my frames. Amazing. That's crazy. Anyways, so we have game which is state index. Okay. What has he changed here? It's okay.
Wait, do you use a plus for string concatenation in Zig, or is there a thing such as
Don't
string
know.
my god. Because in line 7, isn't there plus plus?
Yeah, there's a plus. Oh yeah, so it is string con. Yeah, yeah. Interesting.
It's for arrays in general. At compile
Okay.
time, you can concatenate,
Ah, okay.
Yo.
but it's only at compile time.
Okay, I was already thinking like, yo, what string concatenation is like crazy.
They wouldn't have it like this because it requires dynamic allocation if you were to do it
Yeah.
at runtime. And that would be like exactly what Zig does not want, having some
Yeah.
operator that magically allocates.
C++ style.
Yeah.
Okay, I wanna. He said that he got it working dynamically. So if I go here and do Zig build run. Index 0, but that ain't true.
Why do we have a header file?
Oh, it looked different before. Let me show you why. Maybe it's easier. I don't know. Nothing seems to really be working. I think. Did he push without try to see if it runs? If I go back to master. This is why we have a header file. Because in here, this one needs to know the game state, right? What it is, and that's literally the header file. So it's and then it's used in the game as well because you want to take it in, because otherwise, I don't know. It started complaining that it was like not the same type, and it was just getting super annoying to have like the same header or same struct redefined in two places.
You can just define it in game.zig and import game.
Yeah,
from
but then it doesn't work. No, because because it has to be a dynamic library, right? Can you?
Yeah, but we still have the code. We can get the definitions.
Yeah.
Try and
Anyways,
import, like move the definition into game, and then import game instead, and you should be able to just get it from there.
well, okay.
There you go.
I don't know. I thought I couldn't import when it was supposed to be a dynamic library. Okay, nice. That's cool. But now I want to figure out what has he. Why does he go deafen every time after he does a git pull or git PR? That's a git dot git commit. Let me just actually. We don't need this thing then. Trash.
Yeah, generally, you don't really do headers in Zig like you do in C.
Yeah, I heard that and I was like, huh? Why not? Headers are great. Hi, Twitch game. Hi, which game are you making and can you explain? No, I cannot explain. It's not really gonna be a game yet, kind of.
No idea.
We're trying to make tools so it will be easy to make games. Oh no. Wait. Git commit. I'm just gonna call it restructure. And I'm gonna git check out to wait. I don't know. Such a little thing, but it's been done.
This code together thing is just not working for me. I don't know if I just don't understand or if it's as bad as Microsoft's official one.
I don't have it active, so you shouldn't be able to connect right now. if you're trying to connect.
Okay, well that explains why it's not working, but it doesn't explain why it says I'm in a session.
Yeah, that's interesting, bro. But wait, let me dinlib. This is what Harold has done now, and why has he? It should draw this, but I don't see it on the screen. Am I dumb? Why do this? I don't know. I don't like it. Is this how you're actually supposed to do it? Like you're supposed to call defer on these ones. I don't know. I feel like that's a bit weird.
What do you mean?
Uh,
How was it being done?
It was like this. Oops. Like this. Begin drawing, defer, end drawing. Begin mode 2D, defer, end mode 2D. I don't know. For me, that doesn't make sense. Like, shouldn't you just? Oh shit!
Shouldn't both work?
Yeah, both works,
Yeah,
but
either way works.
I
I agree that defer. I would not do defer here for this. I also wouldn't put. Well, yeah, update should be before
Yeah.
drawing probably. So you can put the begin draw, like put update before all the drawing stuff.
Okay. Anyways. So now if I run this thing, this is the thing he pushed, but I don't see. Like there should be a. What the fuck? Like.
It
What?
looks like garbage.
Yeah. It takes in this, but anyways, this is the thing I'm not concerned about. I'm trying to see how much of this can comment out. Good. I want to see this draw text on this thing because it doesn't seem to work at all, that thing either. Which makes it there's no point trying to update anything.
But it was
before, yeah, but I don't know what.
it was just drawing, wasn't it?
No, it's yeah.
So changing the defer thing, is that what got it not drawing?
No. I changed. That was on the master. He has now made it the dynamic. Wait, what was the commit message? Here. Dynamic linking at runtime, but it doesn't draw anything anymore. Not that we will even be using this thing, but I'm concerned that why doesn't it? Should I even be concerned about it? Maybe
Wait,
not.
Lucas, if you do a clear background, or you do a clear background, okay?
Yeah.
Wait, maybe change that. Nah, it shouldn't matter if you change it to red, to black.
Do you need to swap the? You
I
have a
don't
wrong
think
order
it will,
of like the last two lines, end drawing and end mode 2D. You probably wanna
Oh yeah, that's wrong.
swap those two. Yeah, it didn't fix anything though.
What is this camera?
But you should still, you should still swap them, you know. D-init order should be reverse of init order, generally.
But don't I want to... Wait, I want them to be like this.
No, you want them the other way.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. I probably just put them by accident. Anyways, I wonder if it's this camera that has gotten it also kind of...
Well, maybe with zoom 100.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Bruh, okay, now I can take this back. So it's supposed to be dynamic though, this thing now, but if I say index equal 90, why is it not equal to 90 when it's some garbage value every time I run it? How is that possible? It should print game
Because you're using the header, which doesn't exist anymore.
No, the header still exists.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
it's still in his.
I thought we removed.
Yeah, no, that was in the master. I just changed back to master because I was unsure why I had to go and check like it was working before, and it was. But now we can probably take this to. I can just revert or remove the thing I did. That was just another test. So. Anyways, now we can do this. Change this to game.zig. .state, and I will change header. Oh no. And now I just got state. Maybe capital S. Yeah. Okay. But still that should. That is still some random ass value. That's not 3. It's supposed to be 90. I'm not changing it anywhere, I hope, right? Anyways, that's not the thing I wanna test. I wanna try if I go here and then I just change this to be like this. Now start another one. I don't think it dynamically changed it. Nah. I had to restart it. Oh yeah, but that's not... What is this dynamic linking at runtime? What does it change? It changes this to a smaller update. And a smaller struct. Changing the imports. Still load them in the same kind of way. You got rid of the call conv, but we need the call conv, bruh. That's why it's not correct. Yeah, now it's 90. I don't think they changed anything like significant in this thing. Or am I wrong? They changed some import. This issue was I wasn't linking. I'm linking at random. Please don't report. What? When is he getting back? I need to ask him more questions. This is. I'm not gonna take this, but instead I'm just gonna go to git check git dot just to store it. Fixed. Yes, that's how you spell changes, and then I'm gonna check out our git branch. Check out refactor. Okay, we can continue from this one instead in the meantime. So don't have this, and then I want to change this to just be called state. I think that makes sense because it's kind of game and game state, kind of like my. Well, this one I guess makes sense. You could call it game state. Okay, so my question was gonna be, should we like change the actual library, or what should we do, because we cannot get the raw pixel data for this thing into here. So either this one
You
needs
could
to
just create your own buffer.
well, I don't know if you can you with Raylib.
You don't have to. It doesn't matter if Raylib can do it. You can create an array.
Yeah. Or you can't you just use a texture?
I don't know. I haven't used Raylib. I don't know what's possible with Raylib. I was thinking like, is there something else that we could use where you can do that? Where you just, at least, was it GLFW that had the possibility for you to just get the raw pixel data? And SDL? Or we could just use Raylib within the game itself to draw stuff. But I don't know, I think still like it should be command calls. What it wants. But I don't know. Because then the render would have nothing to do with the game. But if you put the pixel drawing inside of the game, then it's kind of doing rendering. Even if you're just giving the buffer. I don't know.
Well, it kind of just adds more complexity. When like you could describe in a buffer exactly what you want drawn. That's a lot simpler compared to trying to, you know, create some huge abstract set of commands just to get the same result that you could have gotten by just specifying the pixels.
So what we want.
It makes sense if you're trying to do something like Vulkan, but here it doesn't really make sense to use commands.
So we want something that can give us just a raw pixel buffer. Raylib, yeah.
Could use GLFW and then in OpenGL you can get the pixels and then just use it like without OpenGL. You know what I mean?
Like, yeah, like GLFW I think had access to just get the raw pixels for the frame.
Like you would need OpenGL for that.
Okay, it's a ChatGPT time. Wow, it's so fast.
What's on your mind today?
Yeah,
how can you get the window and pixels? You know?
Actually. Used to do game rendering using pure.
You can use a function called RL lit frame buffer.
Hello.
Hello.
Yo. So wait, Raylib does have a function.
Yes.
RL.
Nice.
Lucas, did you look at my PR?
Yeah, I did. What did you change in it? Because everything that I tried to... Did you try to run the thing even on your computer?
Yeah, it runs.
Does it show the correct stuff?
No. It's just because it even says that in the like commit, man. The like commit message.
Yeah, but
you can go read it.
I read it, but I was like, I had the dynamic linking around, and the issue was I wasn't linking. Please don't report me for corporate. Like what?
Corporate, yeah, but the go to like one of these one of these commits here. There should be like a thing where I say that it doesn't actually like work as intended or whatever.
Bro,
the thing is, for some reason, sharing pointers is super weird.
No. You have to have the you have to have call conc, otherwise it doesn't understand that it's a shared C library. You forgot it again.
No, that worked for me. Well, it didn't update the thing, but
no, and that was because you had the
okay,
camera at 100 zoom. You shouldn't.
Oh, what? I don't know. I just did something random.
But what did you actually change that was the actual thing that you wanted?
No, it's just a like lib and then equals std dot dnlib. Well, actually, if we're gonna be like smart about this, we should probably change that out so the dnlib is in the type, you know, and then we use the dot open. You get me?
Wait, we can take that just in a bit. What did you say Hans existed? Get pixels data? Or what was it?
No, it was blit frame buffer, but I'm not sure we actually want to do that.
There's no blit.
But anyway, I think just create an image. Like, what is their RL image? Yeah, create one of those. The binding, I guess, might have. Does the type have some factory function, like init or something?
Nah. This was what I was. Yeah, this was what I tried before as well.
Or you could just fill that.
I don't know, like this
Yeah.
was what we wanted to do from before, but I just don't know. Like the data. What do I put this one equal to?
You just create a buffer. You create a buffer, and then you give it the pointer to that buffer. You can even just make it on the stack for now.
Yeah.
Like just an array of,
I'm just gonna call it buffer.
I think you can.
like, U32s, I guess.
Yeah.
I think you can call get screen data, and it returns an image from the screen. I'm not sure though if it works. Like I never used it.
Wait, is this even okay? Because this will be, I can just use the actual these things for now, right? Maybe that's smarter.
Well, I don't know what kind of declaration that is.
Shut, I just, I am, what? Why is this not okay? Am I supposed?
The U32 should be at the end. Mm-hmm.
Huh?
Equals undefined. You can't just not assign things, you know.
Bruh, I forget. And then just buffer.
And now try.
Expected scene found type. But it is a.
You have to pick one of them, I think. Can you say pixel format dot and then pick one?
Oh wait, that's just a type.
Well,
I want to get
Yeah,
that.
list of different.
Yeah, can I get the
Yeah, these.
Can I get pixel format or something like that?
It's just. It was right there. Pixel format uncompressed. R8. It's the bottom one.
Are you using with alpha?
Yeah, we are.
Bottom one. Uncompressed.
This one. Okay.
R8. G8. B8. A8.
Yeah. Okay. Any opaque found. Yeah. Okay. So we could try to use this thing, I guess. And then how do I draw this?
Also,
on
instead
top?
of. Instead of undefined, maybe you use. What is it? std mem zeros.
Mem zeros. Comp time type. What?
And U32.
Found.
Actually,
How did you do this thing? I forgot.
No, you have to do. Take the type of the buffer, like the whole array thing, and U32, and put that in as a parameter instead.
Oh, you mean?
That's the argument to zeros.
Why cannot?
Yeah, and remove the colon, so it will just defer the type.
Okay. And then now, so we will just pass.
You know,
in-
Lucas, you can use do like memset.
now we do this.
Where's the buffer? I don't know.
And then in the update, so now we change the update, so it should take in, wait, but it needs to take in the delta time, the state, and then it will also take, do we just take the whole, yeah, we can take the whole, fuck. Because it needs to know the height, as well as, like, ideally we would like to pass this in, but then we make the game reliable on Ravelib structure, right?
So the size of the frame buffer is a separate concept from like the size of the game.
Yeah. Ah, okay. So we
The
still
platform should pass in essentially a frame buffer that is the same size, but it's fine if it's bigger, I guess. But the game defines the size
Yeah, but
of the world in pixels.
I cannot just pass in this buffer. I also need, it also needs to know this, right?
The platform does not tell. You know, the platform needs to make sure that it passes a compatible buffer, but it doesn't need to tell the game what the size is, because the game is the one that decides what the size is that it's going to draw to.
Think about that.
You know, the game gets to assume.
The game shouldn't do anything about that, you know. It should all be the platform.
Okay.
You're thinking too low level, man. The game is way high level.
Wait. But if you have, let's say the user is here right now, and they're doing whatever. Oh, so we are not considering if they resize the window. We are just saying that you can't do that. This is the window that you're bound to right now.
Yeah, that's one way. Another possibility would be to have, just like we have update, to ask the game to do an update on the state. We could also have a resize
Yeah, okay.
function,
Then it makes
so
sense.
we can ask the game to please change to a different size.
Okay.
But for now, maybe let's just let the game pick a size and then we stick to that size. And if you resize the window, like the window will get bigger, but the game is still drawing to the same quad.
Okay. Wait, before we even try to pass this thing, how can I actually use it for
You don't
drawing?
want to pass it to. You don't want to pass this to update. You're passing the buffer to the render function.
Right, that should be a separate thing. Anyways, how do I, before I even try to use this thing, how do I, or like, add stuff to it? So I do raylib dot draw. Is it draw image or texture or what exists? Texture exists, but that's not.
Draw texture.
But that takes in a texture struct. We have an image struct.
Yes, but the thing, you have to have the image to create a texture. I feel Lucas has never used like a high level API.
I have used. Does
There is only draw texture.
does
No man, you haven't used shit.
does SFML count?
No.
It counts.
No. Well, is there even any rendering going on there?
Yeah.
Oh right, there actually is. Yeah, but I don't know, man. Lucas, you probably didn't even use it. Anyways, you can use the rl dot create texture.
Spelling
Or like maybe
texture create.
init texture. Yeah, it could be texture create. I
You
don't know.
can call a function called load texture from image.
Yeah,
Oh.
but
then I don't wanna
do
do
it.
every loop.
Lucas,
That-
don't do it in the loop. Do it in the init. Yeah.
But
Yeah, I don't know.
but then I want to update that texture every time that the renderer changes it as well.
Oh, right.
Yeah, so you can just create it in the thing, but you probably want to make it to a constant which you can destroy also at the end of it, you know. And if you think this is a bad idea,
It is.
think about Vulkan, okay?
Well,
Think about Vulkan.
but
You know what you're doing there every single goddamn frame.
can we
Yeah,
just
that's
change the library, guys?
I
I'm
think you know
sorry. This can't be the way it's supposed to be.
No.
Make it. This is still throwaway code.
Okay.
Just
Yeah.
draw an image on the screen.
Exactly, we don't care. This is just
Oh,
temporary.
yeah, okay.
No, listen to Hans. He knows what he's doing.
Okay. This is stupid.
Hans, why do we have this guy coding for us?
I
Wait, why do we have this middleman, man?
This middleman.
Texture, is it texture 2D I'm supposed to use, or is it just texture?
Yeah.
Load, just
It's
call
2D.
load texture from image.
Load,
Yeah, you said it, just have the type texture. Oh, you're
load.
trying to load.
Shut up.
In the type.
Shush. Shush.
Ah,
Shut.
it's my favorite type. RL.load texture from image. My favorite. It's my favorite type.
I'm just gonna change this one to buffer image.
Okay, sure. We're pretending this is Vulkan now.
The scripter said in it.
Yeah, man, where's
It-
the descriptors of that?
Wait, hold
Push
on.
the constant, guys.
It's
Okay.
not a buffer though.
Yeah, no.
It's
Frame buffer.
supposed to be the. Okay.
Frame
No,
buffer
it's
image.
not a
Oh,
frame buffer
hell.
either.
It's an image to the. Well, we don't even have it, bruh. I don't
Just call it screen image or like a window image or something.
Or
Really
image,
screen.
image.
Just call it image. It's a handle to a buffer with some extra information
handle
about the data in the buffer.
image handle. we should make Mike happy now, alright?
Yeah.
Let me think.
Also, don't forget to destroy the texture also.
No, the fur. Is it just RL destroy?
RL.
Do they have a destroy? How
Could
free?
maybe release.
Okay,
Yeah, it's probably mem-free actually. Like RL.mem-free.
Oh,
It's
they just
unload texture.
Oh, okay, it's unload actually. Listen to it. I don't have the cheat sheet in front of me like he does, you know.
You should get it. It's free.
Nah, he memorized every function.
Oh yeah, my bad.
Hans is
right,
next
Hans?
level. He's
You
just
remember
inventing these things, and they just exist when he speaks them into being.
You know, he's doing the commits right now, like while he's speaking, he's like making the function.
Moro Lucas, what's up, MPX? XMPX. You can join the YouTube chat, and you will have a character on the screen fighting and shit. It's pretty cool. Anyways, it's a. Okay, so then we unload, and then in here, now we have the texture, so now I can go, instead of doing our beautiful thing over here, we do this thing, which will just draw a texture, and I just pass in texture. Is there one that just takes, or I actually have to provide like position and tint? We are not gonna.
Yeah, you can just use white, and that will draw the texture normally.
RL white, like this. Okay, and the image is never. Yeah, it's not gonna be mutated right now. We're just gonna see that it. What if I just don't? Well, if I don't memset to 0, then you should just throw a bunch of garbage values in there, right?
Yeah, but you can't read them.
I can't read them. Fuck. I can't. Are you sure? How sure are you about that?
It is illegal to read undefined or
Okay.
uninitialized memory.
No, it's a feature.
Just do memset, bro. Like if you initialize it normally, like a good old person, then you do like memset 0 on the buffer.
Oh wait, what?
Oh.
I'm just gonna say I'm just gonna do it the good old fashioned way. I'm gonna say buffer index, and then I'm gonna go to the position 0 and put this one to a black.
No man, just do memset.
Loop now, but
Memset, bro.
No, I'm just gonna do one
Memset,
single
memset.
pixel, and then if that works, then we're good. Is there?
Bro, it's actually so donkey. SL.
Yeah, I
It's
had
regular.
Isn't it just black? What is it? Expect to
Maybe
be
it's,
found.
why is it just white?
It's already
Yeah, just do bitcast.
Yeah.
Like at bitcast.
Okay, let's do what should be green. Everybody loves green. So now the top left pixel should be green if this thing works, right?
Lucas has like a 16K monitor, he won't even see it.
Depends very much on what format this RL.green assumes. Why don't you just put a hex number? Since we know our
This
format.
one assumes same as we are using. I think. Yeah. Except for Cient, but it's still in this.
Check it.
This looks fine. What the fuck happened over here? I didn't check. Oh. That's... Okay, whatever. Okay, this should be fine. So now we should draw the damn texture. Let's see. Oh, okay, I'm not running it, but that's okay.
I'm excited to see some green.
I don't know if it is. I think it is green. It's just so damn
Use
small.
memset, bro. Use memset, because memset will make it all the thing, you know. Use memset, goddammit, yes. Yes, and you do like like the reference to the buffer. Yes. Okay, well, sure.
And then we put
And
it
then
up.
you just put the. Yeah, I think you gotta use the ampersand before the buffer. But I'm not
No,
sure.
it should.
Yeah.
It's not that.
Yeah.
Sadly.
I thought.
Okay. Now it should. Oh, okay. What?
Sure. Looks fabulous.
I think it's missing a part.
Yeah, you probably like
Like
have the
water
width and the height
format.
messed up. It's probably like the opposite. Oh, it actually ain't.
But does
Maybe it
Memset
is the
even
format.
know like that?
Memset feels everything. It loops over, you know.
But does it know the width and height somehow?
Well, it knows the size of the buffer. Because we give it, you know.
Hmm.
Also, the way you're doing the buffer right now is so bad. So, dang.
Shut your bitch ass. Okay, I'm just gonna do a 0 dot dot.
What is this do now?
We're gonna go through every single one of these shits.
It's gonna be the exact same result.
No, it's not good.
Good old fashioned way.
The good old, the real way. I hope it's
You
correct.
can use the buffer.len, bro.
No, I cannot. I can't do that.
Sure. And you know, use a capture also.
I know.
But you have to just put it to underscore.
No, I want
You're not
to
gonna use I, you can just put it. Okay, sure. I guess you can like mod it. Or modulo it, or whatever you say.
No.
I mean, that would be kinda cool.
Okay.
And look, now it's gonna be the exact same result.
How is that
Wow,
possible?
what a surprise.
But how?
Because memset loops over it.
Does it? Wait, how do
What
we
do you mean
create the
how?
window? Where do we create the window size? Here, in it. No, it is width and height. Why is it wrong?
Try to resize the window and see what happens.
I can't read.
Also, please take back the memset. Oh, what? You can't resize it? Okay, well,
No.
you gotta like, it's like a hint.
But why wouldn't this should be alright, you know?
A lot of things should be alright. Maybe it's the format. Maybe remove the A8.
Wait, is this
No, by
or is
default it's A8, I think.
this wrong? Wait, let me
No,
just
this
do.
is wrong.
This shouldn't be wrong, but I'm just gonna try. We should now see like a shift, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
But now, if I just go down by 50 pixels, there is no issue, right?
Bro.
But why? Or is it to do with this white thingy?
Oh.
No.
Why do I do 20 on this? Ah! No, nobody will know there's a problem. What the
Bro,
fuck?
just make
I
it so you
have
can
a better
resize
idea.
it.
Make the background also green. Nah.
Ah,
Man.
big brain! No, but for
Lucas, one thing, if hear me out, okay? Put the like window hint so it's resizable, because if you do that, you will be able to see what's actually happening when you resize.
The fuck is a window hint?
Oh, bro really hasn't used an API before. You have to do it before you create a window. You do probably like rl.set window flag. Hans or Hans, help us out
Config
here.
flags.
What?
How do I change the flag? Oh yeah, set config flags. Yeah, that's great. Okay, thank you, Hans. You do rl dot probably resizable. Window flag window resizable. Yeah. You never know if the naming on this weird ass
Wow,
API.
look at that.
Okay, so it doesn't even scale.
But how many?
I think it's because
Yeah, because
we're not resetting the buffer
But
or
this,
like this.
this looks like if it is 640 on the width and 480 on the height. I think it has 640 for some reason on both of these. I think that's the issue. But it doesn't make any sense because we say screen width and screen height, and
Maybe it's because of the minimum value
maybe
of the window, like
let's do
minimum
let's change it
size.
to 640 like this. And see now. Now it's 640. It's 640. Right, I forgot. No, but that's not. Is that a square? I don't think. No, the white stuff here is extra. It is a square besides that extra white shit for some reason. Like.
Typical Raylib. Maybe it's because of the minimum window size is like doing some shit.
That's. But what if we do 100 x 100?
Well, you said Raylib has a minimum window size thing.
Yeah, but this it does this, and this is the 100 by 100, so it looks like 200. On the width is the minimum.
Yeah, and it's because of the minimum window size, because it's like super big for no reason at all. Like what you gotta do is do rl.set max window size.
No, but 200 x 200 is fine. I don't know where this extra white shit is coming from. Ah!
Trust me, bro.
What do you want? What do you want? What do you want from me?
You want to do rl.set max window size. Or maybe window max size. Yeah, and put that to just 1 and 1.
What? But then that doesn't make any sense. Then it would be 1 pixel.
It's the minimum, you know what that is?
No, it says
Okay,
max
well, that's
size.
bullshit. Oh. Oh, you should have done min, my bad. Also, you gotta do it after you create a window.
Ah my god, these things are flipped out no matter what I do.
Huh?
5 minutes delay stream, yes. Why are you enjoy? Yes. Did I already run out of all of the tokens for my thing? Even though, oh my god. Maybe I should, I don't know, man.
You should get Twitch Premium. I don't even know if that's like a thing.
No, it's YouTube, that's the issue. I need to find something else to do with that thing. Anyways,
Oh.
I will write that down for another time.
One thing you should do also, Lucas, is do rl.set like it's like log output or like something. Like yeah, wait, before the init window, do rl. Before you create the window. Do you know what the word before means? Slight question. Yes, exactly. Well,
I was reading from
How you
down
do?
to up, you know.
Oh yeah, you're like stupid. Yeah. No, it
that's not
happens.
the work model we have here.
Yeah, no, bro probably has his screen upside down just to troll us. Okay.
You
now
know,
you
they
do
call me the
set.
rage baiter.
Yeah, they do call you that. Set, and then it's like log, maybe. No, not those. Okay, wait, set like output maybe? Yeah, you know, instead of doing log, set output. Okay, well, I don't know, kill me or some shit. There's like a function, wait. I can find it, yes. It's set trace log level. Yeah, and then you do rl dot wait, log or wait. It is rl dot log underscore error.
Oh, so not all.
Yeah, no. Yeah, great.
Yeah, there's no issues. Anyways, but the issue seems to exist even though we are not using this texture thing. Like, it's still there. If I do, for example, this, and then I just take away this, we don't need these ones. You can see the window is still uneven. It should be an even size, but it's not.
Have you tried setting the window height to 1? Yeah, that
Yeah.
looks about the width of a window bar. So my best guess currently would be Raylit doesn't really expect you to be using tiling window managers. It probably has some weird thing with trying to, because when you need to calculate the total size of the window, in some contexts you have to include the decorations on the window, and you have no decorations. So
yeah.
it might be doing that.
Run it through X11. There's like a thing you can do when you run it.
But you know, do you remember the game, like the block game from yesterday? I made it in Waylib and it worked there.
Yeah, that thing.
Yeah.
Did it?
But I don't know. Did it though? Well, yeah, I don't know. But
Okay, I guess we can't really know if it's worked.
but Lucas, you want to go in there? Yeah. Now you do. It's like what is it? It's like what is this stupid thing again? To make it run through X11. It's like you set an environment variable for the current command. Wait.
XD session ID. Because I've done it once for I think it was OBS or something that I ran it with. Sure, I got a fly in my glass. To run application with X11 instead of Wayland.
You like set the environment variable Wayland display to something I remember.
Still, but that's for SD. Ah, this one, QTA, QPA.
Yeah.
This one is the thing I have.
No, not that.
I don't know. I have done this before.
That's for Qt apps.
Yeah, it's a QT app.
Wait, what? I don't know, because GLFW is GTK.
I was kidding.
But that's not the error, bro. The thing is
Oh yeah, but I have to
you're
run.
trying to run the app.
Yeah, fuck.
Just run it through the normal place, bro. It's easy. Just go back and you can do sig build run from here. But before all of the sig build runs, after you like set do uppercase. No, not that shit, bro. Run. What the hell?
Upper.
No, you do wait upper. Yeah. And you do Wayland display underscore display equals 0. Yeah, and then now you do sig build run.
Crazy.
Okay. I guess you don't really have the X11 build for that.
I have X11.
Well, like the thing is, for me, when I run this app, it like prints out because like GFW for some reason doesn't have like window decorations on my shit, so it doesn't even try.
Hmm.
So like for me it works fine. It's just you, I guess. I don't know. No. The issue is that Raylib uses GLFW, which is like super shit on Wayland.
Mm. I mean, but the issue is still not that really, and like we will change this anyway. So we just ignore that there's a little extra shit in the bottom, right? Let's just ignore that.
Yeah, we can probably add some text down there saying like, "Hey, you ain't here."
This ain't here. You know the Madagascar
Yeah.
penguins. Wait, Madagascar. You saw nothing. I hope I spelled it correctly. Oh my god! I swear I'm not a bot.
No, Lucas, you're a bot.
Not again! I think it's from. Why is it loading so fast?
Because your internet is so fast.
You didn't see anything. You know this one, but wait, can I get the. Here. Wow.
5,000 years
Yeah, you
later.
didn't see anything. This we put at the bottom. Anyways,
Yes.
now we can go into here and we can take. Why are you C enjoyer? And then we just replace this with. This is not here. And we take the position short 10, and then we take this to be.
No, because it's at the bottom.
Yeah, screen height on the white position.
Well, no, because you want
Oh.
the current screen size, bro. You use the like get
Yes.
like RL.get render
Yeah,
height.
but
or
that it
whatever.
won't change, bro. Look at this.
But then, no, do screen height minus the font size. Otherwise, the text
Yeah.
isn't on the screen.
Exactly, bro.
What are you talking about?
Also, the screen
No,
width is
because
the screen
it's
height is super low.
broken.
No, because it is broken. Yes.
The
So if I-
screen height is 1.
So now look. Boom.
No! How? Wait, nah. Something is
No,
bro.
because
It's
the,
because it is in
pivot point
scaling.
is in the top
Yeah.
left corner.
Yeah, I know. Nah, that is cursed. This is cursed.
No, that's
Lucas
how it.
loves cursed.
That's how it's supposed to be. That's how it, bro.
Yeah, that's what you say also when you do not equals false in a
Put
while
something
loop.
outside of the screen so it's inside a thing that's, I don't know, outside of your window, on your window, I don't know. It's cursed.
Also make the font size with the screen width.
That doesn't make. That would be. No. You
That
have,
makes sense, bro.
no, you have to
do-
divide it with
Trust
the.
me.
No. If you do the screen width, that would be huge. It's already. It's 30 right now. The screen width is 200.
Okay, sure. Get the screen width divided by like 60.
No. It has to be by the length of the
Oh.
string.
Yeah, and you can get the length with measure text.
But guys, it's not even supposed to be there. You're not supposed to make it clean.
Man, we got to make everything clean.
You guys
okay?
have
Isn't that
you,
right,
you
Hans?
guys try to fix the wrong things. I'm telling you.
This code.
This code, yeah, I know.
Anyways, boom. It
Wow.
it so now instead of we doing this thing, we're not gonna do that anymore. Instead, we're gonna draw the texture. We're gonna have the update. As soon as we get the delta
Hans, have
time.
you ever met this dude in real life?
Yeah, we went to the same coding school.
Yeah.
Yo,
And
the
well, next time you
C1?
see him, can you beat him?
Again.
Hey.
Great. It's just for that, like, not equals false, bro. That shit is horrendous.
This is for Harold.
Yeah, exactly. And then you just get beaten.
Okay, but for real now. So now we'll add a renderer thing inside of here. Oh, we already have one.
Yes. A renderer.
Renderer. And that one will just take in a... Is it any opaque in this case?
Why is the renderer
Or...
in the game?
Because well, it's draw.
What is bro cooking up?
It's not render. Yeah.
Huh?
Drawing to buffer, but it's...
Yeah.
Shouldn't we just send a bunch of objects to the platform and then that draws the shit?
Exactly. Or draw command calls.
No.
Right? Let's do command calls.
Don't encourage him.
And,
Uh,
do I just say...
I'm not encouraging him, bro. I'm against this dude. What do you guys on?
Do I just say any opaque?
No, man.
Or any...
Why?
Why do I say here?
Why?
For this? Well, because I don't know what it will be. I just know...
This out here doesn't matter. This doesn't matter. Remember, it's from the game's perspective.
Okay,
So you specify what the game wants.
Well, it wants a...
Yeah, it wants a rectangle at this position. It doesn't want to render stuff, okay? It wants like, hello, this is my rectangle over here, and then the platform is like, okay, let's render that. Blah blah blah. We don't
You
draw
could
shit
even,
in the
I
game.
guess you could define a pixel struct in here. And just say it takes an array of pixels. And then you can define the format inside of that struct.
What?
Make a struct, call it pixel, and it has members RGBA, and they're all U8.
And then... Or... Do
Hans,
I do
look at this
lowercase?
shit, bro.
Yeah.
You do lowercase. Let's just not tell him, right? Guys, we're not telling him about this. Okay, let him figure this out.
It's the usual rage baiting. He's doing it on purpose.
Usual mistake. Oh hell no! What? Bro, he can't even type. Nah, man, he's just rage baiting as usual. Oh. A master. He's like level 5000 in rage baiting.
I'm trying.
Like Hans is level 1 rage baiter, Lucas is like a level 1000 rage bait boss.
How much power do you have in World of Warcraft? No, wait, it isn't World of Warcraft. What is it called?
This is League of Legends.
Oh,
But I don't know
I
this.
don't
Well, I guess there should be an init game then in that case also, right? So you can pass in or wait, no. What? How will this work? Will the game just know? How will the game? Okay, I guess it could be just hard coded defining a loop here right now.
Game.
That makes sense?
Huh?
Like how will we go about drawing this buffer? Will we have like
You draw what you want in it.
Exactly.
okay. Yeah, so right now there isn't really anything specific. We kind of just want to draw this thing. I don't even want that.
This is literally if you took a company and you were like, guys, let's switch out the managers and the programmers, you know. And this happened, man. It's like two guys trying to lead one person to write code that actually works. Meanwhile, the guy doesn't even know how to use the language at all.
Hey, I know what I'm doing. All right.
Lucas, if you go to Wallenstein and you look at like half the names, they're camel K. It's like camel K
But that
variables.
doesn't define how code works. All right.
No, that defines how my happiness works.
And to be honest, I like camel case.
Not for variables, my guy.
We just want to draw the square that we have, which is at some position, right? So we want. What the how do I... Wait, so the game is supposed to figure out at which pixel coordinates it's going to draw. I should have a function just draw a square in that case. This is gonna be horrible otherwise.
Draw rectangle. Draw rectangle. Rectangle.
Bro is gonna rage bait now again. He's gonna do like draw quad.
And then draw a rectangle and just pass in position. And how
And
big?
width.
Yeah.
I like that I was trying to type something because I was gonna search something on Google, but
Yeah.
then I forgot what to do, and now I just have like how to, and then it shows me like what other people are searching, and it's like how to
Just look
share
at the
Google
function
Calendar.
parameter. Just look at the function parameters Lucas does.
Oh no.
Oh no.
I will do
Oh,
the exact same thing. Not gonna lie, but
sorry, I forgot. Oh hell no.
It's the sea coming back.
It's
Yeah, this is coming back.
bad habits die hard, you know?
Yeah, really bad habits die even harder.
I was like, why is this not right?
This is on purpose. Dude.
It must be, dude. Yeah. No. Like Hans, how did you survive around this guy?
He didn't.
Thankfully, I didn't have to watch him code at his school.
Oh, okay. That's
If anything, I just had to review the final product.
Oh, even worse.
But he was the last one to review it, so everybody has already fixed all of the mistakes.
Oh, okay. Well, then it's fine.
He was the
I
final
like
boss.
that. Lucas, did you mean Lucas that you had to write code? Everyone else had to like look at it to check if it even worked, and you know.
Yeah. At least 3 people had to suffer, but that's if he were to pass on first try. So, more than 3 people.
Oh, bro.
But now we have the position from where we would like to start. On the X.
Yeah.
Okay.
Bro is just like writing declarations and trying to say it.
Why
makes
you-
us into thinking he's actually making code.
Hmm?
Also, why are you making a function for something you've never done before?
I might do 2 of them.
Huh.
Doesn't matter. It's
But we're sure that we want to reuse draw rectangle, so it makes sense to do a function now.
yeah, we're probably gonna.
But I think, why not just draw it? Like, just write the code, and then if you end up needing it, like, in multiple places, then you can make a function,
It's
instead
easy.
of presupposing.
This is easier for me to think about the parameters of where do I want it.
He's a C user. He has to make declarations for useless shit. Just let him be, okay? Let him have this at least.
Don't insult my C.
Man, Chef, not gonna lie, you made like the most C function ever, which, you know, you're using C, so it's fine. It was like actually 1 line.
But
It was just
Also-
a return and math.
Why have you already decided that your draw rectangle function can fail?
I have not. That
Bro
was
knows he's failing.
that was the snippets plugin. That wasn't me.
Nah, dude, Lucas.
Alright.
No.
You're
Not the
responsible
confidence
for the
we need.
code you write.
Yeah, but Lucas, he's just he knows the function is gonna fail because he made it, you know. Somehow it's gonna fail. So he was already
Wait,
prepared.
guys. Let's stop being so negative. We need to get something done now. Or we need to push this code. Like, it
Jeff.
can't be that we sit on the draw function till, like, I don't know, it was 10 minutes ago.
Facts.
And the function we did, like, the draw rectangle is now gone. Whoa.
No.
No,
Well, less code is better, right?
Yes, exactly.
No.
Finally. Oh yes.
You're,
Finally,
no.
less code is better.
No.
Bro, these dudes, they're just pumping out lines of code for nothing.
But I don't know the. Okay, whatever. I don't care. I'm just gonna go from state position to state position plus 10. And this is
They
gonna
don't
be.
yet see that code is a burden.
Yeah, I know. That's why I try to write as little code as possible. Like, you know,
That's why I don't code at all.
that's why you're the manager. Okay.
What the fuck?
I mean, I don't really code either, man. Like, I just sit here, make build scripts, and then I go home.
Go
Harold
Talk shit.
on his mission to port every project ever on Earth to the Zig build system.
Yes, man, we got to have it all.
Okay, now I can do buffer. Let me think. X. Wait, I have this wrong, don't I? Do I want to go? Wait, what do I want to do? I want to. Every Y is a new line, right? Well, I guess this is fine. Also, I can just go down. But I think that's just stupid. I should switch this. Yeah, okay. So now we'll go every Y and then we go fill the X's, right? So we'll have, oh shit, what is the width? Oh shit. I will just switch this back to 600 by 600. I think that makes sense. Alright, so we'll take X plus Y multiplied by 600, right? Is equal to, shit, how do I tell it to be equal to?
Don't you need to put X plus Y in braces?
No, I want to do the multiplication
Oh.
of this, for this is it, one row.
Oh yeah, sorry.
Yeah,
I bet.
no worries. Not allowed in what? Oh wait, but I don't have them as separate fuckeries. Shit. Not allowed in function calling convention. What?
That's because it has to be a packed struct.
Wait, extern pack?
I think, or what?
No.
Is
wait.
it? Harold, do you know? Is it? You
What?
need to make the. Do you need to make it a packed struct?
Yeah, packed,
To be able-
yeah.
But so I remove the
X
extern,
fucked up.
but the
Yeah, remove extern.
Okay.
Yeah, packed and extern kind of work similar in a way, but you also got to specify what type. So after the struct, to parenthesis and U32.
after the pack.
Parenthesis after the struct. No, after the struct. Yeah, and then you do U32.
Not allowed in function convention.
You got to do bitcast probably. Or what? Yeah, about that you don't have this one exported. That's all I'm gonna say.
But it's not exported. Oh wait, the function.
No,
But
I mean the function.
The function
Yeah.
must be because we need to get it in here as the same way we
Okay,
get
well-
the update.
Wait,
So
an extern struct already has, like it matches the C API.
yeah, but it's to do with the array. Because you see, the issue is that once upon a time, a bunch of developers really liked C.
Oh, just put a pointer instead. You can't use
Yeah.
like sick arrays.
Use a C pointer, I guess.
Huh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh fuck.
Oof. Then we got to send the length. Oh, bruh. Damn, bro, I really hate dynamic libraries. I hate everything to do with C, man. The
Yo.
developers of C and all of everything around it so bad, man.
Yo!
God damn.
Oh, C's the gold.
Yeah, but it kind of ruined every other language.
Actually, I don't think it has to be a C pointer.
Well, yeah, I guess. I mean, you can just do like an unbound array. Should also work. I guess what are you doing?
It expects use size found F32, so I need to cast this shit.
Yeah, it's in cast this entire thing. No, cast the entire thing, bro.
I can do that.
Yeah.
You sure?
Just do incast here and then you surround everything inside of this like for loop expression.
Including the tab?
And the plus. Yes. No, yeah, that's good.
Expected after argument. I cannot do that.
Oh, okay, I didn't see you were using those. Man, you should just use size more. Like U32 is not valid, man. That's
It's F32.
that's like so 2022. Okay. What?
It's actually deprecated. Yeah.
Yeah, deprecated.
We actually don't use bins anymore.
Yeah. Well, you probably want to truncate also. And also because you're using them with an operation, you have to do as. Yeah, this is the only bad thing about Zig, man, the casting.
This is fun. This is fine. This is fine.
Man, I hate casting in Zig.
Use
But you know,
size.
it enforces how you use the same types everywhere.
Why is this
And
must
also
have a known
random
result?
bullshit.
But it does have a known result now. Why the fuck is
You have
it?
to have the as before the int casts.
The fuck? This makes no sense.
Have you forgotten how to use Zig, man? You used Unity for like 1 day.
Yeah, my brain died after that.
Ah, I see. That's valid.
This is a horrible loop. And it's not even, it's gonna get worse. That's the worst part. Look at that. Because we cannot, does not support indexing. Ah, do I have to, wait, what? That doesn't make any sense. Yeah, no. I just say plus. Isn't this? Ah. I don't know, I'm not trying to do some too much, Isn't this how I tell it to go this amount of steps forward and then dereference it and then equal to this? Which should actually be that, because I will have to do...
Yo, Andrew's here.
What's up, on
Yo, Andrew. Andrew, also, we've acquired another Zig user. Well, I don't know, man, he's been here for a long while, but I don't know. I never stumbled upon him. Yeah, it sounds...
What are you doing?
Don't ask what Lucas is doing.
This is what I want to do, but I want to do it for every single one of these, and I have just a pointer. Can I not just do this?
You need to specify a pointer as like slice pointer. You need to put
Yeah,
brackets where you
that's what I said, man.
wrote function definition.
Unbound.
Brackets where I do what?
Brackets, that put the star inside of brackets. So it's unbound, you know. Mm-hmm. Exactly. Congratulations.
Uh-huh. Ah.
Now it supports slice.
Oh, bro is trying to use pointer arithmetic.
Why can't
In
I
the
not
system.
do it? I just wanna...
Like Zig's pointer arithmetic is actually so smart.
There. Of course we will not clear it, so this will not be that good, but it's okay.
Okay.
So then in here we get the update, and then do this thing, and then here we're just gonna do... Oh yeah, I need to load in the... And this one is gonna take... what is it? It's taking in the state and then it's taking in the pixels. So we're gonna switcheroo a little bit. And then this will just be a...
Break the wood.
How do I tell it to be a... Do I just do this now? U32? Can I say that? Is that okay? I hope that's okay. I think it's okay. I hope it's okay. And then here we can just go and I pass in a state and then the buffer. Oh wait, but this has to happen before we do the actual texture, so it has to be like this. And then it needs to take the address from here. And then expected type... Fuck. How do I...
Address.
Is it... Oh, how does that convert to this? That's so weird. Okay. Look at that! That's... Oh yeah, because it has both yellow and green, that's why. Crazy! So, we could also do this now. It's a bit of a sidetrack, but I think it's fun. Fuck. Use size. Shit. Okay, never mind. Forget about it.
One thing about the frame buffer, do we even need to actually like make it into a texture? Like we can also use the like draw pixel thing. Well, I don't know what's more efficient though.
The what?
Yeah, isn't there like a draw pixel in Relief, you know, so you can like set a certain pixel? I don't know, probably less efficient, so curious.
I think I have this in the wrong order. How did it become white?
Good question.
Red.
Also, why are you Hans
Is it
is rage betting again?
Hans?
Bet him.
What did you do?
What did I do?
He's not. Look at this. Look at this
Oh,
code
shit.
inside of the for loop.
Shush. Wait. No, wait. This should be fine.
Bro forgot he can just make a struct.
I have
Question
a,
mark? Question mark?
I have a struct.
Yes, but you see you're doing the like indexing of the buffer all
Also,
the
he's
time.
doing RBGA.
Yeah.
What?
I feel
In the loop.
drop
In the
pixel
loop,
is-
you're
is
doing
not- is not
RBGA.
fast.
It doesn't matter.
Why do you set A to 0 by the way? Isn't it?
Oh, right. That's supposed to be. That's why it's not right. Yeah, that's working. Right, that's why it's supposed to.
Damn, Andrew
But
just
why
looking
is
at Relief.
white zero alpha? That's
Because the background, you're clearing to white.
ah.
It feels like a lot of functions calls to just change one pixel.
Yeah, welcome to Relief. The code is shit and the API is shit and it's all slow. And it's like using the worst version of OpenGL.
I'm gonna put it black. I prefer black.
1.0.
Yeah, when I
Amazing, now nothing
like,
works.
Profiled my codes, it mostly was slow in calculating vertices, like in vertex 2D function or something.
Wait, what?
Yeah, but
why,
Relief is also like using OpenGL 2.1, so yeah.
why when I clear to black, nothing is seen? Why that does that?
And
What?
it uses multiple values, so I'm sure.
Oh wait. Oh wait. What the fuck did I do? I was changing the wrong thing.
One thing, Lucas, you know you could instead of having this like this is not here, just replace it to subscribe. It's free advertisement.
true.
Yeah, Relibre supports 1.1, 2.1, 3.3, 4.3, ES 2.0 OpenGL.
Oh, okay. Well, I
Maybe
only thought it was
to-
supporting like 1.1 and
You
and
can
2.1.
select in build.zig if you use bindings.
Oh. Oh, great.
This is crazy. Alright, so now we have completely just made this horrible thing of recreating a texture all the fucking time. And uploading it texture
Lucas,
data
do you
from...
know what you are doing in Vulkan every single goddamn frame?
I'm not uploading to the GPU every time I have fucking texture, that's not what I'm doing.
Nah, but you know, it's who cares?
No, that's
You know, we're
that's
gonna
the
make a
expensive
software
thing.
rasterizer. Because we're gonna make a software rasterizer. Do you think that's faster than using GPU? No.
It would be faster to like update texture from image and not like recreate the texture of
Yeah, but we can't do that in Rayleigh.
You can do it. There is a function call for it.
Apparently, Andrew is like an expert in Raylib.
There
Like he's an
is.
expert in everything.
Yes.
How do we have been trying to do that now since yesterday? How the fuck do we get that?
By we mean Lucas.
No, I have been asking you even to change libraries because I don't.
Nah, man, the other ones suck too. I just.
But yeah, Andrew, how do you get the image that is the surface or whatnot instead of having to do this?
That's not what I said.
Isn't that get screen data?
You want to like get texture from stream? Huh?
No.
Why would you want that? That's slow.
Yeah. Don't ask. We're just doing something.
Going from GPU to CPU is really slow.
Yep.
Yeah. Mm. Anyways, now we are basically just doing the CPU to kind of like have more understanding of how you draw stuff also, like to get the know-hows about that, you know. I guess we could write shader language to just utilize the GPU and it would be the same thing, but
Yeah, called Zig.
anyways,
What do you mean? Zig can compile to SPURV, you know. It can compile to anything.
I want to see that I got the colors right. Oops. So this one should be blue now. It's green.
Why don't you use
So I have this.
why
Because
don't
you
you
still are you're still setting RBGA.
just
Now
to
it's blue.
like
That's
set
so funny.
like use to equals and then you do like bit casts like the Raylib white or Raylib black or whatever.
No, but I can't because I need to give them per thing.
Do you know how bitcast works?
Can it actually just take it?
Yes.
But I don't have access to Raylib in here. But I can still do
Okay.
this.
Well,
Why would
you can still stop rage baiting and used to like remove the .r. I guess you can do that also, and then the bitcast. Lucas is actually just content farming right now.
Got a bitcast from Comptime Int. Wait, how the
Yeah,
fuck?
also
Yeah.
relief struct is extern struct, not packed struct. Just like
Nah, I used to like as U32.
it won't change much, but yeah.
But that's not Raylib's thing. It's just I don't know, like does extern just
You don't have to cast a compile time integer. It will just coerce into anything.
Yeah, but
No,
apparently
it won't work if you don't cast.
Why
Bitcast
would you
refuses
cast?
to work. Bitcast refuses to work because Bitcast doesn't know size of integer because it's unsized.
damn
It's
bro.
compile.
Andrew Kelly did not cook with that.
You didn't cook with the casting.
I like the
Does
little subscribe.
that really not work with?
No, it doesn't.
No, it was throwing errors.
I can show.
But it knows the type of buffer. Can you try? If you just
Yeah,
use the
this is
literal.
the stupidest shit I've ever seen, but apparently
Cannot
it's just how it is.
Bitcast from comp time int.
No, if you remove the bitcast, I mean.
Oh, but then it doesn't understand to. Okay, I can show.
No, yeah, okay, I guess that makes sense.
Yeah, it would be strange to cast integers to strat
Yeah.
automatically.
Okay.
You know, we were talking about before that this is basically like if you took a company and you changed out the developers and managers, like you swapped the roles, you know. So we got me and Hans trying to lead this dude into doing the correct thing.
I got this. Look, there's the square.
Which is-
Boom.
Okay, you know what? Congratulations, now you can get a pay raise.
Thanks.
Wait, Harold, we don't didn't
Hold
get
on,
paid before.
Manager would never say that.
Oh, right. Well, I'm an imposter. I'm actually a janitor.
I feel so smart right now.
Well,
I think I could literally make a nuclear reactor in my basement.
Bro, that shit will go worse than Chernobyl.
But wouldn't that be considered an accomplishment in that case?
Yeah, that would be an accomplishment. You know, I feel so smart, I'm gonna get some water.
I just drank water.
yeah.
Water is pretty fire.
Yeah.
I think it's the opposite, but
Well,
sure.
and I'm building dip bars right now.
Hey, what?
But I'm quitting. You know, like dip bars?
Yeah, also, you could have used Bitcast relief red.
No, I cannot do it in. Game doesn't have anything to do with Raylib, so.
Okay, yeah, it makes sense. Yeah.
But besides that,
Yeah,
yeah,
it's,
you're right. So
You can put a red constant in the side of a store struct just to like
hey, what?
be. You can put like red constant inside of a pixels struct, just as
Okay.
convenience.
Yeah, no. It's it might actually be. Can I now actually go for a? Could I do something crazy where I just say? Nah, I'm not gonna go I'm not gonna go crazy. Anyways, okay, Hans, is this kind of what you're thinking, right?
Part, what do you mean?
The draw and the update, except for the update should return the new state.
I'm back.
What's up?
Well, it's fine in this way too. You can take a pointer and just have an out parameter.
I guess. But wouldn't it be kind of, if you needed to track the history, would well, it can change the
We don't
date
care
then.
about the history.
What? The state's
Yeah.
history.
You can track history either way. You just copy it outside of update function and you can still track it.
I guess.
It doesn't matter.
What he means is like having the current state and the next state, like having two, so that you can always refer to the, like when you're updating entities, you can refer to the original state, so you don't have the problem of order of updates.
Yeah, it is useful.
I think it still would be, but the only issue is then we have to also pass in the memory arena as well. Well, I guess we need that either way in the update, right? Once we create it.
Well, you can put one in the state when you need it.
I guess. Wait. There's a Doxaki is in the Twitch chat, and he's saying some rude stuff. He says, "Imagine asking Hans for about advice, and then a bunch of sleeping emojis." Doxakis, you should get over to the YouTube, bro. Hans is yapping again. You should get over to the YouTube chat. It's better. It will you will get a character in on the screen, like the thing over there, this thing. You will get that.
Not gonna lie, Hans yapping is kind of amazing.
You should have that as a playlist. Hans yapping on Spotify.
Man, he's the best yapping ever, bro. He's just speaking facts.
Okay, but
And
now,
calling you a rage baiter, which is funny.
now that we got this,
So go do your assignment then, bro.
now that we got this, can I just yoink your thing that you did here and just update the build file? Was that the only necessary thing that you changed?
Kinda. Yeah, he's like linked libc, and also did some stuff. You don't have to care about that, per se.
Or should I just close this whole pool and just...
Nah, you don't need that.
I don't need this.
Like, if it runs right now, it's good.
Okay, so I will just close that pool.
Yeah.
Okay. Or PR, not pool. Well, I guess it's... Alright. I can see it here too. The little no. You have to go to the YouTube chat and then type something. Then you will get your own character. You like that.
You mean the Twitch chat?
Yeah. No, YouTube, not the Twitch. And then.
No. What?
Yeah. The Twitch ain't working. Because reasons. But if you go to the YouTube and type, you will get your own character on the screen. I'm telling you. It's cool to have a character on screen. Am I right, Hans? Hans knows.
Twitch is not working. It's always
cool.
YouTube not working. How is Twitch not working? It doesn't
Yeah,
make any
exactly.
sense.
No. It's Lucas is a wait, what? I read chill, not child. Yeah, look there. There.
No.
No, there they are. Look. There they're fighting like crazy. These little shits. There's no way text-to-speech is so cheap and people don't spam it.
There is no way text-to-speech is so cheap and people don't spam it.
Yeah, it is. I'm not that famous. Nobody cares. Oh my god, guys.
Lucas, I can't really see them fight in real time because your stream is all laggy.
There's just one guy standing still.
What? You're not getting...
You can try.
Wait,
I'm way behind.
No, Lucas is.
no,
and I think
my
it's
stream is just way
Ah,
behind.
now I see them. Yeah, they are fighting.
Yeah, I'm just 2 minutes delayed. Don't worry about it.
Yeah, right now you're looking at.
No, I got wrecked.
who is the one
You can
alive?
build a similar kind of game with Relief, I think. For Twitch.
Nice. Oh, you forward
That
Twitch.
would be
Damn.
interesting.
Yeah.
Well, yeah. Revenge.
You can yoink Christoph's Twitch library.
Oh yeah. I think I will. If I do this again, I'm gonna write it in. Actually, it's Zig.
The
Like-
Twitch.
Yeah,
Yeah,
like both
it's
Twitch
exactly-
and.
Oh.
YouTube.
By the way, this is the third day in a row we forgot to ping.
Oh no, but you can still ping. It's fine. It's not too late to be late. Anyways, I think it would make sense, yeah, to like kind of like create a new state and return it here, right? Because then you would have the current,
Sure.
like
Do
if you
it.
need to refer to the old state while doing the update. But that's now I'm just thinking ahead, like if I don't see a direct use case for it, right? Right now, but. Anyways, what are the next steps? Now we got
Yes.
the base thing. Can we just change my library from Raylib? I hate this library.
Yeah, sure. If you can figure out how to use the build system, you can do it.
I
Good
guess
luck. That's all I'm saying.
You could
anyways.
set up the file watcher so you can get the hot
Oh
reloading
yeah,
going.
that's true. That we can do that. We can do that. Not yet, not yet. C, right in C, only C. C is nice, but Sig is also pretty
C
damn
is
nice.
trash. Garbage.
Hey, now you take that back, all right?
C is at the same time the best language and the worst language ever.
Why should it be the worst?
Because it affects way too much. And a bunch of stupid decisions like null terminated strings, you know? And
I wonder if we
basically,
can just use watch. Like the SIG compiler's watch.
yeah, I don't know what you guys have been on.
Should I activate code together right now?
No, we don't want to look at this too closely.
I'm just gonna.
Well, you know, fine, sure. If you want to die, then yeah.
I don't know what you're even talking. File watcher exists inside of Sig. Damn, that's crazy. Git commit dash.
The
that's what I-
compiler has a flag called watch.
Yeah,
wait,
but that kind of sucks.
we're
No, it doesn't. But it doesn't. It isn't available as like in the library. Unfortunately, I guess it's just really difficult to make cross-platform abstraction.
I'll just do it in the
of
this
it,
thing.
so. But it's pretty easy to set up for Linux if you want. You can just look at how it works and you can make your own. Sure.
Come here to say it, Harold. I dare. Oh,
What they say now?
he dares
He
you
wants to be beaten.
he dares you to tell that C sucks in front of him over at Twitch. We also have Lizard, by the way. If we at Twitch, it's
No.
pretty cool.
Hell no.
Lizard, 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 lizard.
And he called you Harold instead of
Oh,
Harold.
it's Doxak is writing this. Oh, that explains it. I mean, it's actually writing the correct name for me, like in British. Or like English.
What? Anyways,
Yeah.
so I start the code session. Bam.
Sure.
And then I'm gonna share it to you, my beautiful people. Bam. And then Harold. Bam.
Sure.
Sure. Alright. So now our goal is to get the file watcher working with the so we can just compile the game while it's running and it will just work. Right? That's how it will work, right?
Sure.
Right?
Something like that.
So how does a file watcher work? Should I go explicit?
Yes.
Basically,
Or like Sig, like how do is there like already like
basically you just ask operating system to watch like directory or some files, and it gives you like event, or it just blocks until it gets some event. I did it like 1 year ago, and I just spawned another thread, and I waited until like event occurred, and I like relaunched Zig build system and reloaded DLL using it.
we can still do it
It
on
worked.
the
Nice.
Lucas, why? I have it. No. What are you doing?
Yes. Gotta clean this shit up, bro.
So, I answered your question. No. Anyways. The fuck are you doing with my buffer, huh? You think you're cool or something?
Yeah.
Fucking my buffer like that. Nah.
I kind of do.
What the but bro, this is
So much clearer.
I don't know, man. You're doing some weird ass. Anyways, should we do it still on a single thread, right?
I don't know. Ask the
Me
manager.
go sleep, me wake up at 4 a.m. Game done by then, or me sad. Well, I think you will be sad.
You gonna be sad.
Okay, the game is already done. I mean, look at this. Fuck. Look at this. Peak gaming right now. We're moving a square back and forth. There's
That ain't even a game.
that's a game. The game is how long can you look at that square, and the longer you can look at it, the better you are. You're a Chad if you can watch for a whole hour. The legend has it. That's
eye trainer.
it's an eye trainer. Like there's a
Great
50% increase in your vision if you watch this thing for the rest of your life.
Yeah, there's also like a 50% increase in stupidness.
But that's a side effect.
Side effect, oh yeah, it's a minor.
From watching this stream.
Oh yeah. Yeah, well, you will probably get eye strain from watching this stream too long, man. Like, the quality is so low.
And if you
Every
haven't
10 pixels.
and if you haven't been watching this stream on mute, I apologize.
Oh yeah, I haven't watched the mute. But look, guys, I sent you a picture. That's how your stream looks. Like, share that on your Twitch. Or YouTube, whatever.
That's just a blank window. Ah. Damn. What is this hieroglyphs?
Yeah, man. I don't know. You know, my life is so optimal. Like, on my first workspace, I have Lucas's Twitch stream. On the second one, I have VS Code with Lucas's code. And on the third one, I have Lucas in Discord.
Wait, let me do one better. So on my first monitor, I have a web browser. On my second monitor, I have code, and on the third monitor is Discord.
Ah, yes.
You know, who uses workspaces?
People who have laptops.
Fact. And that's a fact. I don't know. Anyways, let's do the file watcher thing. Is there like any docs on like how to do that in... Like, what is it just like you just check a file and if it has been up, you do shit or not?
Exactly.
So I can just how do I go about this? Do I just go at the end of this
Yes.
loop, or do I do before I do the update thing? I can do it at the end. That's
Somewhere in the world. I don't know.
const file and what is this? stdfs?
It is something like that. I posted in the chat.
Oh, okay. Whoa, what is this? I'm just gonna quickly copy paste this so I get it with the... So you oh wow, it was already like that. Okay, so you have like the FD. And then...
Yeah, this is POSIX. This won't work on Windows. But who cares
Yeah.
about people on Windows?
No, we have...
Yeah,
Wait.
it is really hard to make cross-platform version. You probably just
Yeah.
want to disable for Windows because you want to like make release for Windows and not develop a game on it. So
Mm. Okay.
yeah, basically you
Then this should be...
set up it and you let file.
Yeah, wait, we have the init and then here is the init notify. Why? I notify. Okay. And then it returns the okay, so this one just returns okay. And then here you just close it and then here add, why do you have a self?
if you want, you can read a main page about it. It's pretty extensive.
Okay. Wait,
Okay,
man,
guys,
is there a
I gotta
man
go
page?
now.
Alright.
Gotta train coach.
Alright, see
Okay,
ya.
see you later.
See you,
See ya.
chef.
Yeah. see
Is
ya.
there a man page for the... Like, wait, in the terminal or...
Yeah,
do...
it's basically for like every. You can. I linked like web version of main pages. So you can also look.
Oh, okay,
Just
okay,
open the
okay,
terminal.
okay, okay,
Yeah.
I thought it was something... Okay, no, so it's still using the actual... Okay, no, okay, I'm tripping, okay. A pro is a mechanism for through file system event not to be used when directory is monitor notified returns events for directory itself and for files and files inside of the... Uh-huh. Okay. But you use the... I notify one. They just talk about number 2, or am I... Wait, no, this... Okay, no, okay. These 2 and 1s are tripping me off, but they are not the same 1s and 2s.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure Zig doesn't have just init because
Yeah.
you don't need init if you have init 1. You just pass 0 in init 1 and you get init.
Hmm. Okay, watch descriptor mask. When optional terminated name.
Variable size struct. This is peak C. Variable size struct.
Variable size. Wait, what? Where do you? Variables? Where?
I mean,
Variables.
it's 4 fields, and the last field is unknown size.
Ah. Bruh.
So it's not the pointer to string. It's string itself inside of struct.
But see, it's not okay. What is this page just super bright or what? I just feel like I got flashbanged or something. Wait, can I just? Ah, way better. I'm still a bit bright, but it's okay. Okay. So, but I'm a bit. So wait, this one when you just call. It's so weird because if you just call init, right?
We ask operating system to like. Yeah.
But it's not yet the.
It just makes it and it won't watch. Yeah.
Yeah, it's
Yeah, it won't watch. I think. Correct.
no, but there is like I'm confused here because you just say init, but you don't. Oh wait, you provide 0. So is that like?
It's flags, and I don't want any flags. It's 0.
But I mean like. Wait.
In like more.
Oh, okay. So you initialize with the flags. Okay. But why do you have if?
In beta Zig API, it would be packed struct instead with booleans. But it's not a big deal.
Okay, well, and then you add a file, so you provide a path to the thing, and then here POSIX notify add watch, and then here provide this thing with the flags, and then you have the path, and then a mask, and then listen, max event size of.
Yeah, so basically, it's a file descriptor, and it will put events into a file, and you can read from file events. So basically, I just block using read until I get some event, and that's it. And I just ignore content of event. I just listen to like every event and update. But if you want, you can actually like read what is inside of it. But it's probably if you add just one file, it will be update event for that file, so you don't need to read it actually. And if you want to read it asynchronously without blocking, you just use another read method, not blocking one. Something like uring read or like epool read or something.
Oh, okay. Okay, yeah, no, we just need to check if it has got updated, and we just need to update our function calls to use the new compiled. Like, basically do this. I think this all over again. Wait, we also have to do this also.
Oh, you can actually pass flag when you when you call inotify init1. You can pass flag non-block, and read will return you will block if it has no events.
Wait, what?
So you can do it this way
What
if you
flag
want.
you can pass in that does what? Let me just see the man page. What was it called?
Non-block.
Non-block.
Non-block. Yeah, instead of blocking on read, it will just say you I have no data, and so basically instead of blocking, you can just periodically check if it has new events or not.
I don't really. Wait. I think. Okay. We'll go here, and I guess. So you don't need that, and
Yeah, as you can see, it was in separate files.
yeah. No, I'm still just.
Watcher.
I guess we should make a kind of like a API maybe for it, so that we, because right now it's just Linux specific, but if we want to change it later, then we just still have the kind of points for it, so that we can still manipulate it. Okay, how do we go about that? I guess if you just leave it like this, then you can check inside here, and then you still return. This will still be probably the same no matter what system you use. And same for this thing, you just have to check before you do anything that what system are we working with. Or during compile time, I guess you can do that. But I guess making a file watcher makes sense. Or do I just call it watcher? File watcher.
It's a really basic file watcher, so I guess it is possible to make it cross-platform, but like good watchers probably not.
No, it's just needs to
Because this one won't report if which file changed. It just blocks until something changed.
What? Okay, wait. I just need to... Wait, but this is gonna be a struct on its own. Fuck. Let me just go through one at a time of these things. So we will initialize this thing. I think it in the main directly, like before we do anything, I will just file watcher, and then we need to import it as well. Like so. And then we'll get that, and we will get this, and we'll just say defer file watcher dot init, and that will just close this thing. But then we will add the file for this. So file watcher dot add file, then it literally will be this thing, which should just, I guess, const
It is actually probably there's actually a little full gun because Zig standard library, like Zig build system, won't actually modify a file. It creates file inside of cache directory, and it moves file from cache directory into output. So it actually won't modify file. Interesting.
Wait. Could the stream pausing for a brief moment be because of this stream is on Discord as well? I don't think it should be. Maybe. I don't know. I just think it's something we're just setting up the whole Arch Linux and Wayland in a bad way or something. I don't know. But anyways, I don't know. I will figure it out at some point. It will just make sense. Things will click, and I will be like, ah, yeah, right, that makes sense. But right now, I don't know. All right. We'll take this, and then we'll add the file, and then here is the deposit. I know the file. Add watch. Can I just? No, if I adds a new watch or modifies an existing watch for the file whose location is specified in the path name, the caller must have read permission for this file. Okay, so it's okay. That don't need, and then well, I would like to see the parameters. Let's see. Because it does take. Here. FD going to file descriptor. Wait, what? Why do we? Okay, well I can just make an assumption that, but that I'll modify. And then here. Wait, why do we? How does this file watcher know that something got updated or read? Because I'm reading this right now, I'm like,
As I said, it's when you need it, it just gives you like a file descriptor. Like everything in POSIX is file descriptor.
yeah.
So you got yourself iNotify file descriptor, and you can read events from it. And as the POSIX read will block if it doesn't have anything to read, and it will unblock at the moment some event happened, and it just reads one event and continues.
So that's why you said use the non-block.
Yeah, I mean, if you want.
Yeah.
It depends how you want to implement it. This is like the simplest implementation possible.
So I do a pass it in here, non-block. But wait, how do I get it? POSIX. Flags. And really start trying to figure out like where does this flags comes in for like where can I find like yeah, where do I find them? Because I cannot just say in non-block. It has to come from some place, right? Ah, there. So it's in, where is this? Just std.os non-blocked. Okay.
You can find it in std Linux. Wait, std OS SOC, I think. Yeah,
No.
maybe not.
Oh, it's .o. That doesn't make sense. Wait, non block. Nothing there. Block. Yeah, there should be a sock as well. But that's inside OS. Wait. Sock. Non-block. Is that okay? I hope it's okay.
You can try.
Yeah.
See.
It's okay. Then we'll get that, and then okay, but then go here. Do I have to call this listen to see that? And then
You
this,
should read it in some way. It depends on how you want to read it. You know.
Oh.
Actually, you need to catch error because it is not possible for it to return error called will block or something. So- and it is a special case.
like wait. The only thing I want to know that if it got updated, then I want to basically say that they got updated and we need to re-update our functions.
If you are able to read, it is updated because you listen to only one file and nothing
Yeah.
else can happen.
So then I can literally just say like this const. Does this one return how much it read? Yeah. And then if red is larger than 0, right? Then that means it did read. And then I can change this to return a bool instead. And then if that, then I return.
No, if it returns, it is not non-zero.
Yeah, but if it returns minus
Ah,
1 or 0, if it's 0, then it means that it didn't. There was nothing to read, and if it
It
returns.
won't return -1. If it returns -1, it will return error instead, and you tried error. So
Yeah, but I care only if it's positive, anyways, because then that means there was something to read.
it's type usize. Of course, it's positive. What do you mean?
Alright. Well, anyways, if it did read, then I want to return true. Else I'd return false. And then if there's some, I don't know how this will work. We'll see.
You need to catch error and return false. If you instead of try, you catch error.
Ah. How did one do this? Wasn't it dot catch?
No, it was just catch.
Catch?
Yep.
Gee, why did you only use dynamic lib suffix? You also need dynamic lib prefix. Do I?
Yeah. Because on some platforms it's lib something, and on other platforms it's nothing, and the name.
Oh, here in between. There. Wait, no. Like this whole path, like this?
I can't see what you're selecting. So I don't know.
Sig out slash lib slash and then the actual like file name.
No, Zig out lib is same, but name of thingy is different.
Of lib game or
Uh,
lib.
Yeah, it's called lib game now, but it can be called just game on some platforms.
Why? There's a STD pro. Wait. Also, this hardcore Zig out is very shitty. There's a STD process self exe path, if I remember correctly.
Uh-huh. Yes, it's correct.
Wait. I should actually do more of the build systems because I don't even know. But let's that thing work. I will look into that after. We'll see.
Yeah, so basically, problem I describe is if you just open file, it will be opened relative to where you are, yeah, to current working directory. And if you launch your executable, for example, not in root directory, but in some other directory, it will mess up your like relative paths.
Oh yeah.
And what you want to do instead is you want to find it relative to your executable, and it will work even if you like ship your game and someone launches game from like other path, from like a link or like yes.
Okay, I guess we can take that after this thing.
Yeah. Also, self-exe path is I'm pretty sure it's not super cross-platform. It misses some platforms.
Yeah,
like
no. This is
Plasma, I
it's
think.
fine because you're just gonna use these ones and later on we can implement like features for the other ones to work. We add the file and then here in the while loop, I'm just gonna go if, and then I'm gonna take the file watcher dot listen. It's true. I don't know, I prefer that. And for now I'm just gonna say std debug log, wait, what is it, print. And then else, oops. No update. That's what I'll literally just start spamming that. Don't need those prints. And file watcher, wait, what? Right, how do you have it? Wait. Expect, I need a, is it try? Yeah. Okay. I don't know. No update. And if I go here and then I go here and then I do a change to game where I don't know, I will just do 200 and then I go here and then do Zig build. No.
I would assume Zig build does nothing because file is the same. You
No,
have to actually change something.
I changed it to 200 from 100.
Ah, okay. Yeah, it should be okay.
But it still says no update.
Maybe it said updated some time ago. Maybe you can just crash program when it's updated, so we know
That makes sense.
it's working.
Let's try that. Let's do that.
Debug panic.
Let's change this one back to. Am I stupid? There. Whoops. What am I doing? Like so. And then let's go here.
And it's also possible with using the thing I said before about it's not been modified and instead of it was just pushed.
Was not just pushed, what?
I mean, Zig build system compiles your shared library into cache directory, and when it's ready, it just copies it into output directory. So file itself is actually not updated, not
Damn.
modified, and so event won't work. You can try watching for directory like one level above file. So because like directory probably will be updated, I'm not sure.
But then I will have to. Well, I guess I can just do this. Right?
I'm not sure how to do it properly.
We'll see. Worst case, this won't work, right? Right, that one should now have the 200 speed back. But if I change this one now to 100, go back. Oh yeah. Wait, what?
Well, not works because a directory is actually updated. Yes,
But why does?
because the file in the directory is updated.
But I didn't compile. Why did that work?
I mean, it watches for file changes. Wait, what?
Yeah, but it's inside of lib. I didn't yet do anything to. Wait, where the fuck is the fuck is lib anyway?
Maybe your LSP tried to compile it.
Wait, I'm in the
Try to
wrong.
disable LSP and check again.
Sorry.
I think ZLS tried to recompile it to type check it.
Yeah, that's true. So let's see.
Try to disable LSP and then check it again.
I can just do this, and then we go in here, and let's see. So no, it didn't. What if I now do Zig build? No, nothing. It doesn't go faster. But it did crash though last time.
Why it's not crashing this time?
And ideally,
Wait.
ideally you must set the CWD to the same director as the exe, so you don't have any path issues. Or is it?
It is also possible it just you set it back to 100. It is possible it just remembered 100 version and so it didn't update it and
No, but it's minus 600. That should at least. Oh yeah, but I don't. I can't see any speed updates because I'm not telling it to use the new calls. I should just see updates here. That's why.
Wait,
Yeah, okay. And I need
wait,
to
you removed
reload the
crashing?
functions, bruh. That's what I need to do. Wait.
you removed crashing, so that's why we can see it.
Yeah.
again.
But wait, do I have to? Yeah, I have to open the file
You
again.
just like you just closed Dynalib and reopen it in like reload functions.
Yeah. So I need to change these ones to vars. Like so. And then I just go here. I will move the close away from here. I put it at the bottom instead.
No, I'll put close where it was. It's fine.
Oh, it
Because
still will
D4
work.
works on
Ah, yeah, doesn't matter.
Yeah,
even
it's
though-
still work.
yeah.
it will work on updated versions.
Yeah. Ah, yeah. And then I will do this. And we will leave. Where is my dot close? And then we'll leave. No, wait, what?
Actually, you should probably open it first and then close it later.
But why? That doesn't make sense.
Because if you failed to open it, you want to continue using the old lib.
Oh yeah, true. So I create a temporary.
Yeah, and also if you failed to open it, you will double close it
Yeah,
using
true.
defer and
This one can it be a const? And then,
Mm.
and if it try, yeah, then I can just catch. If it fails, I cannot spell catch. Then I need to remove the try.
Actually, dot won't work with catch. You need to provide std then lib info.
Okay, catch, and then we just continue. Unused const, why is it red there? Anyways, otherwise if that works, then we can close the lib and we can say lib is equal to new lib. Root source file struct std has no
You should
member.
probably instead of continue, you should probably just break outside of if block. Like, what if you put some code later?
Wait, std dyn. I cannot spell dyn lib. Like so, what did you say? If it breaks?
Yeah, you should, instead of continue, you should probably break from if block.
Well, break and continue isn't that the same thing in this case?
I
Or
mean,
does-
if you put some code later after if, it won't be run.
No. Like if I do break, it will go out of the loop. But if I do continue, it will
No,
just...
no, you can break just one block.
No, continue will just continue from
You
this iteration to the next one. If I do break, it will cut off
yeah,
this
yeah.
thing.
But if you put some code after if,
Hmm?
it will skip code
Ah.
after if,
Oh yeah,
which
that's
is
true.
probably not something you want to skip. Only logic of updating.
Hmm. But wait.
Yeah, and to do that, you can break outside of just one block. You need to put like block,
Block?
like column. Yeah, break here, and column label.
Wait, what?
It's similar to how
Wait, what?
it's similar to how go to work. But instead of go to, you put break.
Wait, so say block, colon, break?
It's basically
Okay.
I will write in the chat. Like so. So you put a label into place, and you can break out like using label.
So, okay, wait, so it's, I just blk colon break blk? Why would I, wait, okay, wait, let me just write that so I can see it. Break,
Oh, you put a block blk before block you want to break out of. So it will be block after if keyword.
what? After, you mean like here I will put block? This is confusing. How does this thing work? What does it do?
Like so.
If condition block. Okay, so you have like. Okay, so you make this one to a block. And then you have there, and then you. And then you catch break, and then you specify this thing. And why is this one now complaining? I need a colon. Okay. So this, so it creates like a block here, and then if it,
It is already blocked, but it's just named now.
okay, and then it just breaks back to this thing. But does that mean that this thing fails and then it just goes back to still trying this else, or? No, because this one's already
No,
through, so it just continues.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, and then we.
If has nothing to do with it. If just calls one expression, and in our case, expression is one block, and we can like terminate block expression like early. So if already worked, and block is just like fair. Block is not related to if. Yeah, in this case.
Okay. Let's see. And this one should still have some crazy speed back, but if I change that crazy speed now, let's see, to 100. Oh, yeah, and now I compile it. No. Now still test that. I don't know. So it didn't get updated.
This is strange.
Let's see. Let's not print anything in the terminal, only if there is something that is relevant.
You should probably silence relief logging.
Damn, how do I silence these textures things? Because it's kind of hard.
You can set log level for relief.
Log. No.
It's set trace log level and you put like number. You should probably put like relief log error.
There.
Yeah, it's set trace log level.
Oh wait, no. Set trace log level there, and then. Log.
Yeah, and rip like error, so it won't print like notify or something.
Okay, let's see. Oh my god, I pressed the wrong button.
It's also possible you should put it like before it is initialized, but maybe not. I'm not sure.
Okay, now at
we'll
least
see.
it doesn't do anything there. And now if I go to here, so at least it should, if the file even gets. Okay, this is getting annoying that I'm always pressing the wrong thing. I want this one over here, I don't want this one, and I don't care about that anymore, and I want this one here. Bam. Okay, now I change this to be 500. Oh, it said updated 3 times though. And if I compile it, yeah, it doesn't say anything, but it says that it was updated 3 times. And if I go back again and I change it to, let's say 10,000, yeah, it comes on 3 times, which is kind of interesting, but it probably fails then, right? So it goes in here and that says updated, and then here it's probably the file path is just complete. Right, we changed it to this. No, wait, that should
No.
No. Yeah, wait, hold on, what the fuck? Oh, but this is probably now wrong because of the place for where it's being ran from, right? So now we would have to do this thing that Cheesecake is speaking about, right? Or could I just... Where is this thing being ran from anyway?
No, what?
Where is it trying... What is the path where it is trying to open from?
You can try add logging when you fail to open in cache.
Don't know how to get the current path.
I just put print like in last line of a block, so we can see if it succeeded in updating.
No, it says worked. But it's not working. Unless if it's not using the... Wait.
Run Zig build watch. So now it run Zig build watch. In like now another folder. Like you just run executable on left and on right run Zig build watch without run. So it only updates library.
Because a Zig build run.
Yeah, and on the right run Zig build watch. So Zig build watch will trigger when you update some file, and it should reload it probably.
I did a lot of times, but is it still doing it? Oh yeah, it's still doing it. But it's not.
Oh.
It's doing it constantly now.
This is the reason. What's going on? Maybe. Huh. Let's try printing what actually was returned from read in Watcher.
But I think it's just the path that is, because it's failing here, right? So I think it's just the path that is incorrect.
But it is able to open it.
No, because it breaks here. It's not able to.
No.
Oh wait, no,
can see
yeah,
updated
it got
code.
it. Wait, what the fuck? But is it? What is? But is it? It's able to open it, but it's not. The fuck is wrong then?
Yeah, it seems like it won't. It is not able to update library for some reason. Yeah, I assume it would be an issue on Windows because Windows won't let you delete file if it's open, but on Linux you should be able to. So I don't know. On Linux you can delete file which was opened. So I'm not sure why it is not working for dynamic library.
Let's see. Maybe I can. That doesn't really help to run a debugger here because then it doesn't show really the Zig stuff. Shit. It opens. Lib close. It takes the new lib, and then this one just updates this update to become the new, supposedly new one, but it doesn't. Why? Because this thing seems... No, because this one should error if it can't even find this, right? Like if I do a Java, right? It should completely break if I go and do a change now. I'm still clicking on the wrong thing somehow. Yeah, it broke because there's no such thing as a Java. Let's see yeah. So at least it's able to. It could make sense. The only thing that could make sense if it's still loading the cached, like the old version of it, even though it gets updated. Catch errors to debug. Yeah, but we don't get a error. It actually works, but I think it's probably opening the wrong file, right? That was not really readable. Maybe I need a stream. Is it S for string? I think it is. So it takes it from Zig out, but yeah, what is the relative? Maybe I need the dynamic path that. I can commit it on a yeah. Wait, what am I on right now? Well, I guess I can still. Dot git commit dash m on dynamic game loading. Check out dash b dynamic game load. Yeah. Push. Alright, it's now. Right, this is annoying. I'm gonna put it off. There's now a game load branch. You look younger than before somehow now. I shaved, alright? I shaved. Oh look, you spawned in a guy. How about that? Also Doritos. Alright, there's now a game load branch where this current stuff is right now on. Thanks, no, thank you.
I was like watching YouTube, Lucas. What have you even been doing?
I'm trying to get the dynamic loading working.
Yeah, you want help?
Yeah, and Andrew is also on it right now, and the cheesecake. This is getting real.
Oh yeah, you're doing like the like reloading when it updates, right?
Yeah, it does register it. That's funny. Like if I do this.
Do you have the file watcher now?
Yeah. Like it, and if I go and do it, like I don't even have to compile, which is kind of funny. But I just save, and then it goes, yeah, it worked, and it reloads, but it doesn't update. Like even if I compile, I build it, right? It still
Is that because are you watching the source files?
I don't know, man. But even if it still reloads this thing, but it still doesn't update. Like I don't know.
Watching Zig out.
What do you mean it doesn't update? Wait, Lucas, what do you mean doesn't update?
It didn't update to it. You can see it's still crazy speed. It should be normal speed. Like when it goes to the right, the same kind of speed. It should have the same speed back and forth. But it didn't update the update function. But it did register and load the SO again. But it's not.
Yeah, because you're not reassigning the constants
I am.
for the functions. Are you?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
The only thing I could think of is still has a reference just to the old SO file somehow. That's because I don't know what is the
Well, we
prefix
probably
of
have to close the old one.
Yeah, dude.
Oh,
I
yeah,
do
you're
it
doing
if it works, and then I assign this one to be the new.
Let's try to swap them. Maybe it will work somehow.
Stop them.
Yeah, maybe you should close and open it later. Maybe.
No, we can try that. It's not gonna kill
Right.
anybody. So now it should be normal, kind of. Anyways, and then I can go here. Now I can do something crazy. I can do 20,000, right? Oh, it worked. That worked. Yeah.
Ah, okay.
But the thing that's crazy. Oh yeah, because I have that it automatically builds for me, right? That's why it updates even when you just change the code. So that's if you do
should
so.
put it like always on top of it.
But this will be kind of tragic. If I now subtract this and I save, it should crash, right? Or oh, it doesn't. Oh, nice. So
It won't
won't
compile.
build.
So
So
Ah.
it won't change.
and now it should be super slow. Yes, we got it, boys.
Nice.
Damn. Okay.
This is fucking cool.
Yeah,
It's looking good.
What you
Time to clean this.
actually want to add is probably some kind of check to check if you changed your data layout, and if you changed data layout, you want to reload your game.
Wait, what the fuck happened?
Because you can't recover from
What
them.
happened here? It just completely. Oh, okay. Harold is doing something.
That shit works, but it's for some reason LSP is shit.
No, this is not LSB. This is.
Oh, what? But that should work.
Resource file struct has no member dinlib. What did you
Maybe
do?
din lib uppercase.
What did you do? What
Yeah.
did you do? It's uppercase
I
L.
did.
Yeah.
I was trying to make this clean,
Okay.
by the way.
What did I do? I closed the file before I tried to read it, so it's, I don't know, man. That's kind of funny. But I guess it makes sense, because if I still have it and I try to read it again, yeah. But now the issue is just that, oh yeah, but it doesn't matter if I close this thing, because we still have the old. But then I try to close again. Then it's a problem, right?
Oh, if you close it, old functions won't be able to run. It will just default immediately.
Will it?
If you try to
Because
run
isn't this
functions.
just dynamic
Mm,
library
okay.
pointer functions? Like, it doesn't matter anymore because they have already been assigned. Hey!
Right.
What the fuck are you doing?
Right.
Okay. Oh yeah. To
Well, now
prove-
they're not
yeah,
Try
yeah.
to
Let's see.
try to open.
Oh, that. Wait.
Try to open dynamic library,
Nice.
load functions, and immediately close.
Yeah, because-
And now I go and change here to 200 and I save it. Yeah, it still works.
Yeah, it's probably because function, like when you load from a dynamic library, it uses the function signatures, so it doesn't care.
Yeah.
Like as long as it's a function signature, it's the same, which doesn't really change often.
This is very reliable. This is very good.
Yeah.
But you just reopen it, no?
But we still
No,
need.
no, it's because
No. We
The
need. We
function
still
pointers
need.
just
We still need to assign them.
no.
Yeah, we do. It didn't update the
Why?
speed. It only didn't crash. That
Yeah,
was the
it's-
thing I wanted to see. It still had access to the old.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm
But-
stupid.
Yeah.
And try to not open new library, just close library completely.
You mean?
Without opening, yeah, and without resigning.
Like that?
No, like this, and then changing these ones
Yeah.
back to const.
Yeah.
Const. Let's see. I need to close that and redo it. Bruh, what am I doing? Why do I have both of these open? Okay.
Yeah, I would expect it to crash.
And then I change it to 2.
Yeah, okay. Makes sense. Yeah, segfault, yeah.
Yay!
Yeah, because it's like it maps a library into library, into memory, and it got pointer to functions, and it unloaded memory, and now pointer is pointing who knows where. So probably when you load dynamic library again, it just maps to same place, so it works fine, but it probably shouldn't. So I assume if you change functions like slightly, like not changing constant, but change them in like in some meaningful way, layout of functions will change, and like pointers to functions will also change, and they will segfault.
Why are you
Because
undoing that?
you
Because you have removed my
because you just
catch
using
and everything,
constants, like,
and you have added a try.
No, I didn't add a try.
How do you get there then?
I don't know. That was before I even came here.
Wait, is it? Oh my god. I think I'm going the wrong way.
What?
Jeppa.
What are you doing, bro?
Shut up.
Bro, what are you on?
Try. Wait, what do I want here? Why was it changed? No, I want this. Yeah. No. Yes. What the fuck?
No,
Okay.
you don't. What
Yeah.
you're doing is stupid.
No, this is right. This is right. Yeah, this is what I want.
That's what
Except-
you want.
Yeah, that is what I want. We don't need this print anymore. Wait, what did you fix that? But I still would recommend copying the newly compiled library to a different temporary file and then loading that copy, since I feel like there definitely will be issue with OS locking or caching the file. Probably. Please, Lucas the Reader,
Okay.
you making this game only? We are making tools and a whole like just to start doing games in a well, I guess different kind of way, which we think will be freaking cool. So, yeah, I do think that what
I
Cheesecake
barely know what we're doing. Okay.
what Cheesecake said, that kind of storing it in a temporary file, the new build or like library.
Well,
And-
like we could clone if we like copy the SO file or like the dynamic library, you know,
Mm.
to the temp, and then we load it.
Yeah.
But who cares?
Why do you need a temp?
Because in case
I don't
if
know.
something goes wrong, you can still go back to the original one. Well, I guess if it compiles, it's
Yeah.
fine. But we just want to. I guess only if you start running into issues with it, I think we can do that. Right now, I don't.
Yeah, right now we
That assumes that you can detect that something has gone wrong.
Yeah, then it's a lot easier to kind of see what you need to fix, because right now it's like. Yeah. But yeah. Alright, we don't need this anymore. And we don't need. Okay, so. We. This thing is still pretty relevant, I guess, what Cheesecake said for having this. Hello, Lucas. Hello, Harold.
Yeah.
I'm gonna say hello. I wanna fight you. I don't know if it's me even that is just spawned there anyway, so. Oh, no, there. Oh, look at that. Wait, why are there so many people? Oh no, not the hats, no! It's a there should be a 10-second delay, yeah, before oh shit, that looks brutal. Oh wait, who won? Who is that little guy? Because the quality is so good that I can't read.
Ah, how amazing.
Okay, but next steps. Oh, actually, it's 1 minute until I should go. Hello, Cheesecake. Remove the usage of. Replace it with splat.
Based. Splat based.
Who?
Wait,
yes,
what
splat
happened
is so-
here?
Usage of. Ah, yeah.
Harold. Wait.
Yeah. What?
Is considered
That's
deprecated
good.
and will be removed. Okay, thank you, Cheesecake. Wait, but how do I replace
What?
this with
What is deprecated now?
the double asterisk
Bro.
splat?
Is that shit deprecated?
Is it like this? too?
Wait,
Wait,
no.
Multiplication is duplicated, yes.
how do I
Yes.
replace
It
it
is
with
duplicated.
splat? Am I?
That's a good question.
If you want inspiration, you can watch. You can find my PR in Zig repository where I go through entire standard library removing multiplication.
What?
Oh.
Expected
and
array
the
or
post.
vector type found U32 array. Is it? Oh wait, it's the other way around. Right? It's is it like this? Yeah. Hey, teamwork.
Yeah. Sure.
Crazy.
Okay, I mean that's actually kind of improvement. Not gonna lie,
Yeah,
that,
yeah,
that's actually an
That's
improvement.
pretty nice. I like that.
That's a lot nicer.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
And it runs. It
No.
does.
Good feature.
And now we can, yeah. Now we can literally just go in here, and we can change this to be 20, and it will go faster. It didn't. Oh wait, is it so little that it won't be? Why doesn't it? It was just working. Why is it not now working? I swear to God. Wasn't it just working? Am I tripping?
Yeah.
Okay, and now if I go here and I change it back to 2. Now it should go back slower. Okay. And then I change it back to 200. But now it's not updating. Why?
You know, this could be like done a lot cleaner.
No, because it's not even working.
Yeah, but still.
It was working, kind of, but it only works for the first iteration.
No, it's just moving.
Yeah, but I changed it to be 2000 speed. It's still moving only at 2 speed.
No.
Yeah. Was it just that it works only for the first change? Zig build. There's no way.
We basically already have the game. What a nice project.
Well,
Am I
nice. Next project tomorrow.
Yep. You know, Hans, it was nice working with you.
It has been an honor.
Yes. I have done like 10 lines of code.
But no. Let's think this through, right? Why is it? Oh, because I'm not registering the new file. Do I have to re-register it? Don't I? Don't I? Do I? I think I do.
Do it. I don't know.
Like, okay, I'm just gonna go like stupid now.
But you're watching a directory, shouldn't?
Oh yeah, but
Maybe you should, you know. Maybe it copies the directory and not files. Who knows? Yeah, try to add directory another time. Maybe it will help.
yeah. Wait, I will just do the same thing, right? But I do have the directory. But do I have to do it like once again? I mean, worst case scenario doesn't work, right? Bruh. Let me just do this. I might need it later, so I'm just gonna keep it here. Okay. Okay, so now it has that crazy speed, and then I go back to game, and then I change it to slow speed. And now it didn't change at all. What? What the fuck? What? What?
Maybe your LSP just decided not to update it for some reason.
So I will have to do the build. No, I still don't.
You should probably use the Z-Build watch for that.
Okay. But this still doesn't. I'm just gonna do plus 20. 20. Okay, now it worked. And then I do minus 20. Okay, it worked. Minus 200. It didn't work. Plus 200. It didn't work. Minus 200. Okay, that now it worked, but it's kind of weird, like it's not consistent, like that's so strange. Minus 20. Okay, it worked. Minus 200. Did not work. But if I just let it go, now it's using minus 200. But it didn't. It's like kind of like it's stuck on that same minus 20 until it has gone back and forth in the, like if I do minus 20, right, and then I change it to positive 20. Oh, okay, I lied. It kind of waits until it gets to the if condition, like you can see here. It goes, and now it will switch to the new one. Yeah. Why? Is it still like using some old kind of?
And there is range.
Maybe it's what Cheesecake said.
But I mean, like,
What cheesecake?
like it's using some old function call stuff.
Maybe.
Ah, yeah, just getting sorted. Yeah. Okay.
if-
yeah. Now yeah.
No, because
Makes sense.
it is, if it is, yeah, if it is greater than that 300, so then I want to go to the negative, right? So now I'm going to the negative, it's still greater, and then it's going slow, 20 at a frame, yeah, right? Now we're going back, no, it continue
Yeah,
going.
but it will only update. It will only update if it's moved like to the right of 300.
Yeah, but it is to the right of 300.
Yeah, but if it's to the left of 300, it takes no effect and it won't update.
Oh wait,
The value.
wait. So, oh wait, but no. What the fuck? Wait, no.
Yeah.
If X position is greater than 300 or equal or greater, it will go minus, and then
You should probably change it to something that would change instantaneously. Like just do a sine wave to move back and forth and scale by some
Yeah.
factor and
Oh,
change
yeah,
that
yeah.
factor.
Unconditional something.
Mhm. Let's see. What? Who's typing? we have to use accumulated delta time. Oh.
Yeah.
Because delta time will always be 16. Or point.
But you can just add to the position.
Yeah, that
You
could
can
work.
just use dt.
Yeah.
The position itself is the accumulator.
Yeah, that works. Wait. Who's typing?
Me.
Wait. We'll do this instead. State that position is plus equal to dt. And then... So now we have position that is the...
You have to say
What?
plus equals
Oh, what?
sine of dt times some scalar factor.
But-
Doesn't make any sense. Why are you using science to control speed? What?
I need to use something that is... That can work.
Like that, though.
That...
No, just sine of dt.
But dt will always be 0.0016 every loop. It will never change, so then it will always be the same result.
Yeah, this should work.
Sorry,
though.
my bad. I'm not
Nice.
thinking.
Yeah, it's okay. You know, all SIG users don't
But
really
we are not
think,
using the y
with
position,
this
so
is
we can
because we
literally
figured.
utilize y, right? We can use y as a temporary accumulator. That can work. Wait, let's
Well, what are you doing?
I will show. Plus equals, we will take the state
Cost.
direction x multiplied by dt, and then we pass this thing into here. State, because we're not using the y position. That's not what I meant. Pause this. Boom. So now it should take it's just gonna keep on accumulating into pos y and just sin it all the
Yeah,
time.
now it makes sense. Okay, fine.
That works.
That makes sense.
But what? Oh yeah, right. The y position will always.
I guess you are using it.
that's true.
Well, I guess you can change update to like past time and dt.
You need
like
to
t and dt.
equal, not plus equal.
Can I?
Just
Maybe
equal.
we'll just add another. I will add a time accumulator in here.
Just make update
Oh.
take time as first parameter. So
Oh.
before dt, you could have a t.
So like past time.
No,
Yeah.
no. If you want for x to like oscillate up and down, we need to make equal sign, not a plus equal.
That's not what he wants. That was unintended, making it move vertically.
Yeah. Wait. Let's do this instead. I have a. And this is fine. This will
Let's
work.
just make it random, bro.
No. This is fine. We do the direction instead. Because direction y is not used anywhere, right? So we will take this up. And then direction Y, so now we will take, wait, what the fuck am I doing? Plus equals, no, this is gonna be direction X. And direction X is just gonna be that, and then it's gonna try to, and then it's gonna be that. This is gonna be crazy. Yeah, it's stuck there. Amazing. Oh yeah, but we don't need to. So now, if I just change this and then we take multiplied by 100. Right, we went outside. We also need to add. There, boom. Why is it going down? Why is it going down?
Lucas, hear me out.
Why is it going? What the fuck are you doing?
Just hear me out.
Hey, we're going down fast. You need to quickly fix this thing before we hit the bottom. Hey! Quickly, we're hitting the bottom.
Yeah, that's good.
Where do you go? Oh, it's at the top. You saved it. It didn't crash.
Yeah, that should work.
It doesn't do anything. Yo, what's up?
Yo, I just wanted to go in the call and say good night to you all because I won't come on again.
Okay, now it's going.
Yeah.
Now it's going down sideways.
See you later, Tish.
See you later, T-Chef.
Yeah, how's the project looking?
We're getting
I see a
dynamic.
square going
like,
down.
we're getting kind of like hot reloading, or I don't
I'm
know.
cooking something, Lucas.
We are. Why do you put back
Okay,
this goddamn?
I will go off and good night.
Make it go up, go up, go up, go up. It crashed.
I'm also getting off now.
Oh yeah, I should also
Okay,
be
so-
going. I don't know what we're trying to achieve. I think we're just getting tired, to be honest.
Nah.
Yeah, I think it's time to wrap it up. But it's good. It's good. It is working, but it's still like, it is working. So,
Bam.
yeah.
That should work, maybe. Okay, maybe not. What? Okay.
All right.
How delightful.
How delightful. Yeah. All right. Anyways, I will add this and push it.
Yes. Yeah,
One tip I
on
will
my
give you
screen
is
tearing.
do not try to use DL open on the engine itself. I suffered a lot. DL open. Well, now because you said it, I have to figure out what the hell DL open is.
DL open is just like what we're doing, but the Windows version.
Windows version? What are you talking about?
Okay, so you see the Zig standard library has the STD dynamic loading.
I don't know. It's
thing.
it's in the Linux manual DL open, so I'm kind
Oh, okay, maybe I'm. Oh, DL open. I thought it was DLL open. Okay,
okay.
DL open
is what you're doing right
dynamic
now.
library. Yeah, it's the same shit. Dynamic library.
Okay.
Yeah, that's literally what we're doing.
Sure.
You should
Alright.
actually probably set up it in such way you can compile it using a dynamic library or static library
No.
No.
releases.
What? I don't.
No.
Using static library? What did you say?
No. We ain't
No.
doing that.
We ain't
No,
doing
no, no.
that.
We want hot reloading. Yeah, we don't care.
I mean, it's pretty easy. You just in main function, you just like check at compile time if it's release, and if it's release, you just like replace function pointers with direct pointers to update in main by importing
yeah.
the game directly.
Oh, that's not cool. That's not epic.
Oh, you're.
This is way cooler.
We're doing this project to figure these things out. We need to consider anything that might be a good way. We don't want to do everything that everybody else is doing. That's kind of what we're trying to go away from. You're multiplying by delta time now? But that's always gonna be 0.00016. Why do you guys think that's some accumulated time still?
Oh man, that would be good. No, we should have like a time variable that stores delta time and the time, you know.
Yeah, we should like like we had in the Wallenstein, like the time struct where it had the delta time and the time elapsed.
Yeah.
And then when it started
Exactly.
also. Basically, the difference between
Yeah,
deal
but
open
that's
and
good.
standard dynamic linking is that deal open happens at runtime and dynamic linking happens at link time.
No, Cheesecake, you don't understand. We're using the like std
Funnily enough,
lib.
OpenGL also happens as runtime. It dynamically loads executable library as dynamic
Delightful.
runtime. Yeah.
STD dlib is deal open. What are you on, Harold? Cheesecake is losing it now.
Yeah, no. I thought you were talking about like linking it dynamically in the build system. Yeah.
You can try read the just source code of dynlib.
Alright. Let's see. I will run this
I'd rather
quickly
not.
that Harold sent. Wow, look at that! Whee! It's sliding. Yeah, we should probably make for tomorrow. Let's see. I quickly I'm just thinking. We should probably like this accumulated times elapsed or something like that. We really seem to be needing that quite a lot. So I think we should probably
Yes.
just even for testing.
We should do that, and we should also get input working.
Yeah, that we'll do tomorrow.
Yeah, maybe also setting up like an interface for the like windowing and the inputs like that, you know. But that's kind of annoying.
Change the graphics library.
No. Just make an interface for it. So we can use Rayleigh, but we can also use other things, you know. You get me? Yeah.
Time elapsed input.
I should do the interface, okay?
State tracker. That's also a thing we need to do. Focus on the actual technical part that matters.
Cheesecake, you don't understand. The actual technical part is not the technical part of this project. We literally is doing this because we can, and it's because it's like pretty cool.
Like for example, calling a function from engine in a game. We are not making like a traditional engine and game thing. We are making more or less just a platform, and the game is just basically a bit of combination what an engine.
AKA Roblox.
Well, I guess. Yeah.
We're making Roblox.
We're basically making Roblox. I don't know, because it's kind of like the game contains a little bit of a few parts from the engine, a few parts not from. Like it's kind of like it's different. So, yeah.
Sure, buddy.
It's different.
What it's actually trying to say is that we're making Roblox 2.
Coming soon.
You know what, Lucas? That should be the next video because of the controversy with Roblox. You will get a bunch of views, you know.
Yeah, I'm
If you're
making
making
Roblox too.
Yes. It should be called like Cooked Blocks 2.
I was thinking of Slutbox.
Slotbox, what is that name? Even better. What the hell? What is that name, bro? Yeah, let's rename the project to Slopbox. That's a great name, bro. Let's rename it. Because isn't that such a good name, though? Slopbox.
Slutbox. It is. It's a great name.
And I can say that you made AI slop for Slopbox.
Yeah. Cheesecake, you're doing the same thing? That's crazy. How is what do you have so far in your thing? But
He probably has like
actually I should be
type
going.
shit.
I need to wake up earlier tomorrow because I have the new project is starting. The school is going. I got to do school, so I think I will actually quit. But you can share your
quit?
stuff. Yeah, I'm quitting.
Oh.
I'm retiring for today. But Cheesecake, just share what you have done in cool things or not something, and I would like to look into it if it's okay. Anyways, I will stop here. I think you're 8 viewers over at Twitch. That's crazy. Let's.
Nice.
I don't know. I don't know. Is it worth rating?
Send them over.
To who? To who?
Yeah, just take the first person. Damon, Ray Damon. He's offline, but Ray Damon.
We're always rating Damon, am I right?
Yeah.
That's not.
See.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. I don't know. I'm not gonna send you guys over.
Yeah, Ray this guy.
I'm just gonna stop.
Laughing. Yeah,
I'm just gonna stop here. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you tomorrow when we will do some other stuff. Yeah.
Yeah.
Bye.